Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti.
Check. Pull it up, President. Pull it up. Pull it up. Yeah. Box it again. The President create again. Rap.
Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
Let's go. It's Friday. Let's go New York. Let's go Jamaica. And to the rest of the world. Let's do this. Let's go.
The boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one.
I want.
Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the neck side of sword.
Fun time. Laugh time. Fun time. Mixup time, you know.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering.
Everybody get aganeering up with this. We ready, you know. Ragashanti and the Mixup. That's me. I own that. Let's go. Fun time, you know. Laugh time. Mad people time. Let's go.
Yes. Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your
Ready up. Tambourine. Ready up. Stop it, President. Stop it again. Well, had a good night, people. Big up everybody. Good night. Whatever you do right now, whatever crosses the fire, fling it one side. If you have one dirty man that cause all kind of stress in your life right now, forget that. Fling him a bush right now. Don't ever think about him right now. Focus on yourself and some fun now. Time for some laughter and some drama and some little things, for de-stress you, for decompress you and things. If you have one little dirty woman in your life, that cause all kind of stress or problem for you, fling them one side right now. Forget about them right now temporarily. You're about to engage in a certain form of self-therapy. You're going to laugh. You're going to enjoy yourself. Run back into now, President. Run back into now. Ready up again.
Ragashanti live.
Let's go.
Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day. The reason I'm doing with him because you see the boy have me and the girl have beard with the same Raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the neck side of sword about the red Raga.
Ready up now.
You're aganeering because the way you are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy.
Hallelujah.
Ragashanti go on and on.
Tambourine.
Yes. Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with the handle side of it.
Mad people then. Tambourine time. Here we go.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Ready up.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Kingston, ready up, ready up. St. James, ready up, ready up. Trinidad, ready up, ready up. Portland, ready up, ready up. St. Mary, ready up, ready up. Kingston, ready up, ready up. St. Thomas, ready up, ready up. Clarendon, ready up, ready up. Manchester, ready up, ready up. St. Elizabeth, ready up, up. Westmoreland, ready up. Hanover, ready up. Lego. All right, so people here that want to know, man. So, woman, you know, she have 3 picnic and thing and a juggle and none of 3 picnic with 2 baby father and thing and none of the baby father them in a picture, so she single and thing. With 3 picnic and she a go through some hard time. And look, man, go say, and draw for her and drop 2 talk for her and thing and whatever. And she, you know, she love what the general I say and thing. So she reciprocate to the boss and thing and them end up in a demons. Them there. Right? Demons. You see? So them there and thing and whatever and bops. He general push out enable. You understand? Prego and thing. Youth a forward and thing. Boop. She shoot out her son and thing for the 2 of them and you don't know. A 4 picnic that she gone right now and she and the general a juggle and a build life and them something and him not to have it like that, you know. But him work. So the man goes to boom and give her a reasoning and say, yo, I'm going to leave the 95 here, you know. Make her just open a business for herself and build something for herself and whatever and then plan and thing and whatever. So the man goes, so, you know, them go through them ups and down. He left him good job where him have start the business with her and the 2 of them are build the business together and I go through and I build the business together and they are juggle, build the business together. Remember now, you know, she did have, when him pick her up, she did have 3 picnic. And them end up have a son together. So while them they are juggle and thing and whatever, now money starts run from the business. And then now, when the money I run now and thing now, she starts with some flossing. And I do road with some flossing and things. So I'm a reason with her and say, yo, money I run right now, you know, but you know, have to floss out the money so and me not stop you from enjoy yourself, but you know, you get distracted with the thing and she say, yo, she have to enjoy yourself, one life to live and it kind of rough when you the picnic them and whatever. But I say, no, but you got too hard with the flossing be. And to anyway, she did have floss. The floss, she have floss one little man, go see her and start give her 2 talk. Cut long story short, she start dugu with the little man. She start hook with the little man. She dash out to something and get the little man and whatever and thing and whatever. The youth younger than the brother who she did there with and whatever. And the youth a fierce boy. Enough girl a look at youth and whatever kind of fierce boy. You understand? Good look, then saying good looking, handsome. The woman then referred to him as pretty. Which me still I get used to women I refer to men as pretty. But enough woman do it. Them say enough woman say man pretty. So them refer to him as pretty. She didn't know a bundy brother, you know. A bundy brother who pick her up with the 3 picnic, build life with her, start business with her and whatever, and thing and whatever, this and that and way. She start burn him now. She and woman now, with the youth where she a burn him with, she and some woman catch up with a boy there. Because through the boy pretty, and the boy, you know, him out a road like that and love brand this and that and ray. Enough other woman like him too. I want to spend upon him and thing. Then I want some lady get caught up in the drama and thing and start use fear money and spend upon the boy too. We attack the bonner boy, you know. She starts spend upon the bonner boy and compete with other women who are spend upon the bonner boy because them say the boy pretty. And supposedly him start to turn up and him freaky. Can him do the something with them and whatever. All right. She know and the people them go catch up. She gone on social media cuss the other woman them about this and that in relation to the bonner boy. This the immediate woman I know gone on social media and talk about where and where she buy for the bonner boy when she a cuss the other woman them. She about the expensive thing them what she buy for him and what them do together and whatever. For a man, the man will pick her up with the tree picnic and build life with her with the business and them something they know. Him not really in the social media thing. Him not do that something then. People now go see what go on social media and go so bamson. Screenshot of a screenshot, download of a download and go so and roll up on the general and say, queer, look what your woman a do. And wait. Him take it to her, do a piece of depression, and take him and all these things and whatever. Him go to her and talk to her about it and she tell him, she's sorry. She's sorry. She never mean to do it and whatever and wait. He might tell her, if he left the boy and stop and this and that and she tell him she stop, but she not stop. She still a dash out the juju. I get it, the bonner boy, the so-called pretty bonner boy. And she can't let him go. But she lamps her man same way, you know. Oh, sometimes some of my listeners them up here, them say I must explain some of the unique Jamaican. Lamps and ginnal mean to trick. You have indigenous Jamaican expression them where indigenous, them, but them not really universal, so some people don't know them. Even some, Jamaica. So, lamps, ginnal, samphire, they are interchangeable. They mean to, outsmart is not accurate. It means to con, yeah. Those are synonymous with the word con. So, you hear Jamaican and say, no, a lamb, she a lamb, sir, a lamb, my lamb, sir. That means, the person is being deceptive. They are deceive the person. They are con the person or whatever, right? Lamb, samphire, ginnal, and thing. So, yeah. So, lamb, she a lamb, him and all these things and whatever. And still a dash out to get the bonner boy and thing and whatever. So, all them a tell her, say, let go the thing, man, and whatever. Him now, some of them, him go see the bonner boy, other part of the gun, no. But him go see the bonner boy and talk to the bonner boy about it and say, no, say, you're there with my woman and whatever, Ray, and this and that. So, well, I can't really blame the bonner boy for this, but, the bonner boy race him up and run him and style him up the wickedest way and tell him all kind of things. Him a dig out him woman belly and all these things and him forget pay feet and Ray. Deal with him wicked. I want juice bar. Oh, this happen up here to America, So them they want juice bar, not juice as in liquor, Jamaicans. Because when we say juice, a lot of time, but juice bar as in natural juice and whatever. So him buck up a bonner man and want juice bar and then ketchup and all these things. And the bonner man style him up the most way and make him know say, dog, you know deal with the woman good. And me have the strength. And me a jump up in her belly. And me a shift her internal room, her internal organs and make she like it. And she like it. And I mean the thing there. Yeah, and she have to spend money for me for that because I saw me roll and deal with the brother wicked. And people is dead and here and things so them start done the brother now and whatever. Him go back now, go talk to her and say, look on me and tell us if you stop juggling with the bonner boy. You still a juggling with the bonner boy and whatever, this and that. The bonner boy go link she and tell her and say, left that man there. Say, better things over, yes, and whatever. People, say she left him man and go to the bonner boy. Remember, the man pick her up with tree picnic, Him and after them breed or whatever, the man left him 95 job, and start a little business with her, And then the business take off her money and run, And so she go pick up a bonner boy, the so-called pretty bonner boy with a good sort out and him freaky and do the something with them. And so she go pick up a bonner boy, And the man find out and the man left her and not because he's not one of them man the way, go deal with violence and all them something. The man go to her and beg her and say, B, let go the bonner boy, what you do? You idiot. And she tell him, say, yeah, she go let him go, but she not let him go. Oh, well, I remember now, the only reason the man find out about it are people go see her on social media, of course the other woman, them who the bonner boy, I put on the freaky men's pan and all them something, they bite them up and I lick them up all about pan them canals, pan them body and all these things and whatever. So I be ashamed and disrespect reach him this up. And him never left her. Him go to her and talk to her and say, B, what kind of shame and destruction that and scandal you bring down for me? Left it bonner boy. And balance up a thing over here, so. You see, And what she do? She tell him, say she a go left a Bonner boy, but she not left a Bonner boy. No. She just did it, I dash out is something same way, I get the Bonner boy, I make a Bonner boy, I sort her out same way, and still I spend money on the Bonner boy. To the point where him go talk to the Bonner boy, the juice bar about it, that thing and whatever. The Bonner boy shame him in front of people. And then tell she if he left him, left the man, and she left him man, and go there with the Bonner boy. People, you know, when Bonner boy get locked up and gone to prison. But no, when she left him man, Lord God, Ragashanti. When she left him man, the man move out and take shame out of here and go live back with his mother. In go in mother yard, go back, go live. So she left him man, you know, and go there with the Bonner boy. And the boy left which part them live and go live with his mother. When him go live with his mother and thing, she stopped getting involved with the business. She the business where him did, where him did, where pretty much him did the most of the work. But she not involved with that business anymore after them left. And him go live with his mother. And she go there with the Bonner boy. The Bonner boy get locked up because the Bonner boy in the street. We not have to go in no details that him in the street. The Bonner boy get bite and get locked up. The Bonner boy get locked up and thing and whatever. Whenever I go up on fear side, things mash up over this. She goes to Bamson. A drawback for the man now. The man mother tell him, say, you'd be a damn idiot if you go back there, so. Mind your picnic, look out for your youth, but don't go back there, so go there with her. So him decide, say him nah go back there, go there with her and thing, but him a run the business still. How the mix-up end up come over to me now. When him did pick her up with the tree picnic, him did take care of the tree picnic and I mind them. The tree picnic where they did it before him come in a picture. So him did mind the tree picnic. Right to that with Lord Jesus. The Bonner boy breed the woman too. She breed her too. So she breed for the Bonner boy too. So 5 picnic she got. But when him did there with the woman and thing and take her up with the tree picnic them, him did mind the tree picnic them too. When Fim picnic come and him mind Fim picnic, him mind the 4 of them. When him left and go move back and take shame and take shame out of face and move back with his mother, and him did it. I don't know if a vexation or what, but him did start Uncle Mine Fim picnic. Cause remember when him left, she did there with the Bonner boy now. So him did start only a mine Fim picnic, but when him and her did that, him did a mine all I picnic them. She breed for the Bonner boy. But the Bonner boy get bite and drop a prison. In a film juggling now, probably him catch feeling, him upset or whatever the case may be. Him just a mind Fim picnic alone now. Cause she out the road, I take man and whatever, so probably Fim stances. Well, whoever you take out them, make them mind your picnic, me I take care of my responsibility. And all the drama end up go out and thing and whatever and reach me now. The question is, arms house him a keep up when him stop mind the other picnic them? Or is it understandable based on when him go through, if he say, boom, me not mind the other picnic them, but probably, me don't know what I'm reasoning is, but I'm speculating that the reasoning probably something along the lines like, yeah, me not have nothing against them, but when I was a father figure in the picture and whatever, and me and you did there, I mean, it's ethically sound or just out of principle or whatever, that yeah, me for mind them and take care of them too. But now that me and you know there, and I'm no longer that presence like man a yard in your life. Them not married, them never married, but that same as man a yard. Say him not in that picture there anymore. I am speculating that him reasoning is, Well, I know my responsibility them, the worst way him go through. But at the same time, him no leg of fame responsibility for fame you. So the problem now is, him buy gifts and him buy things like that and whatever, and him will give him fame his son. So the other people them I say, well, go on and re. And some people I say, a dirty man business him a go on with because I know the picnic them fault and re, and him should have still dead for the other picnic them man. And then the issue come up now. If him a go dead for the other picnic them, him for dead for the picnic where the Bonner man have, where the Bonner man breed are with, where the Bonner man they are prison too, him for dead for that picnic there too. And if we not gonna say, yeah, him for continue dead for the picnic them where him did dead from before. So what him for do? Him for dead for them picnic them but left out the Bonner man picnic? Or him only responsibility is to feed him picnic now because him and I are not there anymore. Him right or him wrong? If a man there with somebody and she did a picnic before, just broadly speaking, and him did a mind them picnic there, and them left, worse the reason why them left, a arms was what she do, and cause him a world of disrespect and shame, public shame. Should that man say, well, I know the picnic them fault still, you know, so I go and mind them. Oh, by the way, the thing not set good with him, like how it did set with the business, you know, before, you know, because him gone upon him own now and the business thing, the little cleaning thing where them did that do and whatever, that kind of flat out. Still exists, but it flat out. So the money now run like before. So he might do something different now, but he might make sure same hold it with him youth. When breed up with. Is he doing something wrong by not supporting them youth there anymore or not support the Bonnerman picnic youth or whatever? All right? Well, I don't know, so I can't call him for that or call him for anything else. So I know why, you know. Let me see what I go on. Let me see what some people are saying on. IrieJam 360 page on Facebook and let me see what some people are saying. Richie Rebel said his only responsibility has always been for his own child. That him for do and should have been a do. Cause look you now. Michelle Wood said $1 used to feed every one of the kids. So now he's out. She should let the Bonnerman should be helping her like he did. He just stick to his responsibility. Nothing is wrong with that. Now it's 2 homes, so him done, so he did the right thing. Somebody, an expert, a man I say, a woman do that to my son. If a woman do that to my son, I would advise, a woman do that to my son, I would advise to take off his child. I really understand with that I say. Be clear, be a little bit clearer here. Colin Click say, yes, stop mind the other picnic them, yes. Carmita say, yeah, make sure go get a job for support our youth. I say she mess it up for the picnic them. Somebody said the woman them are going to want the man for continue for mind them cause them love when man RASS fool. Interesting. Sweet Cheek said, support what's yours. Simple. Stulisha said, him not responsible at all. Mariska Donna Philly said, he should take his child. Mariska, come on, you know that's something, you know. You know them things they go, woman, them, nah, they go pick the video. We're going to hold a break and we'll come back on the tell me what we think about it, all right? So we just line up and call when we're forward. We're going to hold a break. We'll soon juggle back. Mad thing, soon forward.
From Black
Bridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check back in at the juggling and thing. You don't know the levels play. Plays a mix-up entertainment show. It's a culture and lifestyle show. And we are deliberately on the lighter side of life. And sometimes we do, venture down the pathway of some serious issues and thing. But the overall focus of the show is one for fun and comedy and mix up and Ray. Laugh, learn, and grow. It's a bigger part TamFam, Tambourine family large up in itself. Mad thing. Here we go. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. That's from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. If you call from the United States, including the New York metropolitan area, where I'm broadcasting from in the IrieJam studio, sister studio, to the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, you will be calling the following toll-free number. That would be 888-546-8742. Again, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, anywhere therein, in each jurisdiction, the number toll-free is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. So now just call in right now and tell me what I want to think about the mix-up when I talk about at the beginning of the show. Or anything else want to call in about. I don't know what the levels and thing. A Ragashanti live, a thing name and whatever. And if you have any similar experiences along them lines, do share, with your particular unique configuration today, whatever similar mix-up you have, I make we hear what go on. All right? Give it a call right now. So while I wait for the call, them come in and think, and make President give me the link and make me know what go on. Part of what go on down at this Texas thing, I see a little excitement raise up because a big thing going on right now because the police, people them a draw up the police and the police them tell lie about what them they do and thing and whatever, and the police them never run in and go save the youth them and thing, and them could have do that from the time the people them a call and a talk about the brother with the gun there. So whole heap of delay go on. Overall it look like the police them never follow protocol. Them did for go in there when an active shooter did it. Them did for go in and go defend the thing and protect your picnic them and protect your school. And them never do that. So that are the overall issues with its accompanying details that support that conclusion. However, part of the thing with that too is that apparently, even though the police them never go in there in the school, go take on the gunman who kill half 21 people in there. 19 picnic and 2 adults. Even though the police them never go in there. Even though the parents them did outside beg them for going there. And for more than an hour and a half, them not going there. Apparently few of the police them did have picnic in the school and them going there go take out for them picnic. So, whoever the police was who did a command the thing, tell them, said, don't go in there. Make we wait for some bad boy come deal with it, SWAT and all them thing there. But even though them follow the order there, some of them still screechy and go take out for them picnic. And the thing kind of get complicated because apparently most of the police them, don't ask me why, but the community there were them are 80% Latino. But pretty much all of the police them are white people, a white man. So there's these undertones like, part of why the police them not go in there because them never want to risk them life for Latino people, Spanish speaking people, but it look like some of them there with some Spanish speaking people because the few were going there, Even though overall them not going to go tackle, but the few are going to go take out for them picnic. Interesting. And you kind of see the parallels to the mix-up where me attack, you know? That there are some situation where people look out for them one. Boy, people, me not lie still, you know. If my pity them in a one stadium or one building or whatever and the place a burn down, me not lie. My family in there and thing and the place a burn down. And my family me I go for first, you know, then me I see who me can help. Me not lie. Me not go on the thing. Me I be honest with you know. Right? My pity them must know say when all things fall apart and thing, them father go come for them. So I not look out for some other people, you know, but if my opinion, you know, I'm burning building, and me I run going at the burning building and look for my opinion. And while me I run, I know some my opinion them run at the back and me I go there. And me say a picnic, say, it sound cold, don't I'm gonna keep it real still. I say, help, carry me out. So, if you go for that youth, then know, if you go carry them out, and when me go carry that youth, then know, my opinion them I go dead. It's difficult, don't it? Anyway, give me the call, Prissy. Hello.
No, close Raga.
Too cute. What you say? What you say, goody? What you... No, but not lie. Today you sound like your beard and you're fresh. Today you sound like your beard and you're... I like it. You sound clean. You sound clean in the day, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, God.
What go on?
Me there, me love, me there.
Talk up to me.
Our children come first, my love.
Yeah, you say you look out for your youth them first.
Yes,
Okay.
they no more.
Okay.
After. Oh, yeah, go see other people pick me and feel burn up. Why? You're not selfish, you know.
Exactly.
If you can't help your help, but you're one, you put your one at the head.
Okay. Because that's your responsibility primarily.
Yes.
And then if you can't help after that, you help after that, but make sure say you're secure.
Exactly.
Okay. What you think about the mix-up, though?
You know, Sir Ragashanti, I swear at 25 past years when me tune in, me I cuss the hard word and say, no, Raga tonight.
All right, well, let me tell you a mix-up quick. I'm not going to get the whole idea, but let me tell you a mix-up quick. A man pick up a woman with 3 picnic. After I pick up, and nothing ever go on for her and thing, and then pick her up with 3 picnic, and after I pick her up with 3 picnic and thing and whatever, she and him end up have a youth to a son too. And then build and them start up one little cleaning business and the thing are go on good and money and run and thing and whatever. She now go get distracted. She start flash out the money and things. So I talk to her and I say, yo, cool man, and stop flash out the money and and thing and whatever. I said, no, she'll live life and whatever, out there live life and thing. Anyway, she go end up go pick up one young boy who the woman them say the boy pretty and him start to turn up and him do the things them and whatever. She start burn the man with the pretty young boy. All right? The pretty young boy, now, she go on social media, a cuss other woman who the pretty young boy has start out to. This is a bonner boy, you know. And end up gonna talk about how much money she spent on him and what kind of brand this and that she buy for him. And the bonner man, she up on social media talk about.
Man,
all right. Our
understand.
man now, who him not do social media and whatever, people go see what go on and then download the things them and screenshot them and carry go give him and whatever. So him go to her now and him tell her, I say, B, oh you for do that? And oh you gonna burn me them way and thing and make all them shame me and reach me and people have to carry them something and give me and whatever. So she promised him say she's sorry and she not go do it again and whatever. But she and the boy still a start on. And a dugu and it still a go on. One day him go see the bonner boy, you know, I want juice bar. And then I tell her, I not think him should have do this. But anyway, I go up to the man and say, yo, you know, so you're there with my woman and whatever and this and that and The bonner boy go style him up now and start telling him, say, him a dig out him woman belly. And she for mind him because him a do what him can do and whatever. Him a satisfy and shame him up, you know. So the bonner boy now go to him woman now and tell, left the boy. Right? The bonner man tell the woman for left him, you know. And then the woman take up herself now and left him. Him now when him get left, him end up move out of the house and go live back with Fee mother. And she him and go live back with his mother. And she there with the Bonner boy. While she there with the Bonner boy get bite and go to prison. She now end up a drawback for him. Fee mother tell him, say, any you go back there, so you're a damn idiot. Any you go back there, so you're a damn fool. You understand? And say, mind your picnic door. Make sure say you mind your picnic and thing. Him know a mind fiend picnic now and whatever. Oh, the Bonner boy breed the woman too. So the woman, the woman, so 5 picnics she end up have. So, but him know, what him they know, and them look a cleaning business, it kind of drop off and things. So the money not they like that. But he might make sure say him hold it with fame youth. Now, the issue or the thing reach with whatever now, here's a question. When him did pick her up with the 3 picnic, him did I mind the 3 picnic them too. And I take care of them. When fame picnic come, him I mind the 4 of them and thing or whatever. Now which part the position where him in now, him uncle mind fame youth.
Yes.
And the debate now is, arms or him keep up for stop mind the other youth them, or is it understandable the same only a mind fame youth? Is it a case where him a punish the other youth them because I know the picnic them fault, or is it a case where no, it is understandable when him was the man of yard and him did there with her, you know, you take care of all of the youth them, but now that you're no man of yard and you're not there anymore. Not only that, at the moment left you. At the moment, shame you and left you and whatever, make you, you know, out there now, going back to your mother yard and all these things and whatever. So, you have a right for not mind the picnic them. What do you think about that?
Well, Raga, me not tell no lie. The good I go suffer for the bad. You understand me? If me did say me a the man and me not the man shoes or whatever, me not take her back. Number 2, the good I go suffer for the bad. You see, anything what my picnic need, me I buy it.
Right.
If I want pair of shoes in need, me I buy. Me I carry over and grocery. If they want eat outside, fine. But she can't spend my money.
Oh, so basically, so what about the other youth them and thing? You gonna mind them too?
Me I tell you, say if it's a shoes, me I go buy give my child, and me I buy grocery. If you know the rest of picnic them I eat out I grocery.
Right.
Food that.
Right.
But if my child want a pants or a shirt, me I buy that for my child.
But what about the argument now? I said no, the picnic them did start look for you as the father figure in them life and thing, and you did show them love in terms of where you buy for them and support them and thing and whatever like. Why you gonna stop that? You know, what about the argument?
But me can't manage no more.
Okay.
Me can't manage, Raga.
But
you
so,
end up on my mother.
Right, but me I said, all right then, just to play devil's advocate here. What if him didn't have it like that? Right? What if him didn't have it, but just say, yo, she not there with me anymore. Me I not the father figure anymore and whatever. So even though I have it, me I just take care of my responsibility and not the other youth them. Would that change your calculus? Would that change your conclusion just now?
All right. If you can't afford it, me would have give the other 3 picnic them things same way.
Yeah.
But you see the pretty boy picnic, now get $1.
What you say? If pretty boy picnic now get $1. So
now get $1 because why? Remember, say me take her up with a 3 picnic there, you know, you understand?
Zin.
And me end up breed her and give her 1. So, cause it's a 4 youth we have.
Yeah.
And they go dash out and get pregnant.
Yeah.
That the picnic there. No,
the last one, the 5th one. Pretty boy picnic on your thing, right?
No, man. And Raga. Wednesday night, I nearly drop off on my bed. May I ask you a question?
Talk to me.
How much is 30 bag of cement?
You know something I know. Me don't know. But 30 bag of cement in a Jamaica. In a 30 bag of cement in a Jamaica, well, For the rich people, them is nothing, but you don't know our background. I want if money that for people.
Me I just say, me I say $50,000. Me just I say that.
Right,
you understand?
right,
Because
right.
me not really know.
Right.
Raga, me want you leave, what's your name?
Hot and spicy.
Me want you leave a tan spicy alone because me agree with her because man I give woman more than $50,000. So why she said 30 bag of cement? A cement she want.
Listen to me. She said, any man, she go give them a man a sort out, him have to buy 30 bag of cement and give her money to pay the workman them for work with the 30 bag of cement pan which part she build. Don't, well on, let me go Google how much is me type slow enough. A bag. Hold on. Me just a bag of cement in Jamaica. Me could see her now. Did I get okay? Let me see what them say. How much for a bag of cement in Jamaica? The average price for a bag of cement in Jamaica is 1,204. So 30 bag, we are gonna say 30. So the 30,000 plus 200 times 30,000. That 10. Yeah. Well, it probably don't even reach 50,000. Yeah.
All right. We just have said 50,000. Nothing wrong with that. And to pay the man them to work, nothing still no wrong with that. Because you have man who afford it like that. Don't get me wrong, you know, no. Little kaba can't do that.
No, me know still, but it just sound a way if your woman I say if you want my sort out, you have to buy 30 bag of cement and whatever.
But remember, said the man I go live in a sort out like bird in a nest, you know.
What you mean living with sort out like bird in a nest? Why? Basically, she says.
One sort out, just one dry sort out, so.
Me not buying a 30 bag of cement for no woman, for no sort out. Me not doing it.
Well,
And it's not mean. Me, woman tell me all the while, so me kind.
Me know why you kind. Me know why you kind.
Me nah buy, but at a spice too bright with it too. Like she go from here, so.
Bright.
She bright with it.
Man with grease. At spicy, big up your night.
No, hear what me I say. Hear what me I say. What year when them bust out the combo deal? How much was the combo?
5 bills there.
What? No, it wasn't it was 5,000, right?
5,000, yeah.
Yeah, it was a combo, right? And the combo, you get sat out and you get headers. Remember that, you know? And that's the combo, you know? You get good sat out and you get headers. That was a combo, $5,000, right? So you can get a sat out, you can get a good headers and a sat out for $5,000. Why me must go get hot and spicy about
Listener.
But $40,000, it would probably come to about $40,000, whatever. Oh, no, me never buy 30 bag of cement for the woman. Wow.
Raga, you see, them the combo, them mildew. Mildew combo them there.
What you say? What the girl in name again? What's she name? Kadisha? Is that she name?
Yes.
Kadisha.
A mildew combo she have.
Oh, if you come, a Jonjo combo, don't. Jonjo.
Jonjo go up on that.
Yeah, Jonjo combo.
Yeah.
Well on. You know, so our Jamaican ghetto term for mildew is Jonjo. So you say Jonjo combo or idiot combo. But you're right here. What you know about the woman combo or Jonjo? What you know about the woman combo or Jonjo combo? So oh you know hot and spicy combo no pop down. Anytime you hear them woman they like hot and spicy talks about what them forget and whatever, them sort out no good, you know?
Well,
them sort out down good.
I tan spicy at about 30 bag of cement. Well, if a man want me to do headers, he have to give me a house. Well on.
If you are going to give a man headers, you have to buy your house before you give a man a headers, no?
Yes.
I want to you. What?
Yes.
Why you think your mouth so valuable? Why you think you're...
Because my mouth supposed to eat food.
No.
And me just a go take a chance.
Too cute.
So,
You hear what you say? You
yes.
just a go take a chance. You know what you basically say? You basically say your head is
No.
not good, you know. You basically say your head is not good. Talk it true.
Me don't know because me never do it. That's why me say a house of it there. Straight.
No, you can't get house to just come headers. You can't get...
Number
No, you can't.
one.
No, you can't get also. But yeah, President talk about 10 million call there. You can't get also and you just about in the headers thing. And I mean, with that, they have to teach you and I tell you if you do, and I say, no, don't bite it, don't bite it, not eat this. So, and whatever, for house, you must say, damn man.
One,
You must say, damn man.
Number one, me love eat pepper, so me not get no house pepper pick up on it.
No, you can't. That's a one meal you can't eat with pepper. You mad? You mad? You know, see why I run the place right here now. You get the rum and razor ice cream, or you get the Ensure. Ensure I run the place down in Jamaica, you know. Ensure, or supplement, right? Or something like that. Or took a little cherry on it and play with it and all them something there. Leave out the scotchy. Don't scotch on the pepper around here with your headers them. You're out of order. You can't come with your little just come headers and want to come boy, you want house. You're out of order, eh?
Even one bedroom. Even one rocket castle.
Even one of them original Matalan and Portmore house there.
Mad.
All right, too cute. Let me take our next call here.
Bless up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Okay, President say it call of them gone because them a cuss. Anyway, no, but you can't come with your just come thing and want to come get all house headers and thing now. Too cute, you're out to order. You're gone too far with the thing right, you know.
One seed house and the key me forget and me say me get my key.
Okay, so yeah, so if you're going to do that right you know, and anybody else want to come say you give me headers, you must be able to say, but look for me house when I get out of it. That yes, right?
Exactly. Me not do nothing for no $5,000. I know little bit of money.
You're right, eh? A big and a dish up Kedisha them combo about the a mildew combo them there. A John Joe combo.
$5,000.
What you say what? You say what?
Me say so much something for $5,000.
What you mean so much something for $5,000? Yo, me go tell you something. You see, a lot of, well, the thing, all right, put it this way. The thing changed now, you know, that is not a big deal anymore, you know.
Me get you understand.
That is not a big deal.
One time people used to hide and leak.
Yeah, then what me with it? No, let me tell you how the thing changed. One time most people used to say, no, me nah do that. After I ring that up on my finger, me nah do that. You know, ring a feather up on my finger before I go there. So, you know, say nowadays, the woman them say, me ain't not sort out, you know, but me get headers, but me ain't not sort out. And that's how the thing they know, you know. You have women who get headers, you know, but them not sort out and thing. Meaning the sort out now have more value than the headers. The thing flip now, you know, too cute. And what do you?
Well, me not tell no lie. Me rather the sort out.
It's a bigger deal for you to get headers than the sort out. That's what you say, right?
Me love my sort out. Me
no, me not saying I love it, but me I say your thing, you will quicker do sort out than for go do headers, because headers is such a big... Okay, but when me I tell you, say that change now.
Me know what you say about the person if you pay me well for the headers.
No,
money
you can't get no house, no, not even one room and thing. Listen to me right here now. Listen to me. All right, here we go on. Me not say you don't forget nothing, you know, but would I like give like a bowl of cake and thing or something like so, or whatever, you know? Give like a egg sandwich or a bowl of cake for your headers because you just are coming at the thing. So we now make you dead for hungry. So if you come here, give me like a new headers and I'm not going to tell you what you for do. Probably give like a look at egg sandwich, you know, look at ketchup, salt and pepper, pan it out. A bowl of cake or something, half a bread or something like that. Because we now make it just left so and whatever and thing like that. A jackass can or something. You understand? No, Sky juice. And give a suck for you go and practice pan and thing. But you're going up a house and all them something that can't work, man. I want me to tell you.
You look like me have to go practice for one of the KC can.
I make sure them put enough butter upon it here. Brap, 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 brap. All right, too cute. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, man, you to take care.
All right, then, enough respect. Cool. Yo, big up too cute. You know, ever come with the energy and the vibe. I love how you say. And think, Tina, you have to work with the name. Too cute. Too cute, I make it the too cute name at right now. So Tina, too cute. You have to work with it because a too cute she name too. One heap of people have name other people have. But too cute not to have the name too cute. Tina, you have to work with too cute have a name with the outer herself. And that's how the thing there. People, just want to remind you that on Fridays, at the top of the hour, we have to break for 3 minutes. So we're fast approaching that right now with a minute to go. So, you know, we're going to break for 3 minutes. And then when we forward, we have 2 exciting hours remaining in the show and things. So make sure someone of us line up on the thing and call in after this. And then ring to something them and thing. Once a big respect to everybody and thing who listen free up for Ragashanti TV over YouTube, hosted by yours truly. Me, Miss Cherry Washbella, my mama last pitney and thing every Thursday, 1 p.m. U.S. Eastern Time, and of course that is 12 noon Jamaica time and thing. Big up on yourself, all our free up people, all TamFamers large up. TamFam mean Tambourine family members. And I know original thing that, you know, from Fanan, Lukadoos and all of them people and things. Sister Peggy, large up yourself and thing. Watch your right, people. Again, we're going to hold a little break right now for 3 minutes. And then when we juggle back, we're going to keep up that energy there. We're going to keep up that vibes there. We're going to keep up everything jiggy. How we say mix up and blend. How we say laugh, learn, and grow. It's a Ragashanti thing. So it did it, no. Maddie, soon forward.
Go to bed with us. Wake up with us. Spend your day with us. We're all you'll ever need. The Bridge 99 FM, on air and online all the time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling proper and all these things. Let's do this thing again. If you call from Jamaica, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. From the United States, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
How are you, Raga?
Why am I good, you know? My hearty.
Yeah, that's good.
You see?
Well, for me, with the man where where the lady go burn him and go get the next kid.
Yeah.
I would still look after the tree plus the one that is it.
Mm-hmm.
I would do it.
But you wouldn't look at, you wouldn't even look at a pretty boy I pick me, huh?
No. No, that's a no.
Okay, okay.
But I would continue look after the other tree plus the one that belongs to it.
And then if she want to run back all the thing upon him and whatever, you think if you take it?
No.
No, if not for go back there with her.
No, because it might end up with the same thing again.
Okay.
So we use him. She going to use him. But I'm falling on something similar to that, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, for your side is a man where you pick up and take care of him and thing and violate.
No, me not really take care of him, you know. Me work with him and him work with me. And he did have 2 kids before.
Yeah.
Plus my one, and then him leave go overseas now and look after none of them at all. And me just look after the other 2 with my 2.
Okay.
And meanwhile him overseas with 3 jackets to take care of them good and proper.
And him get 3 jackets when him go foreign?
Yeah.
But now mind film 3 where him have a Jamaica where I feel.
Nothing at all.
Some people now meds, man. Some people now meds.
So
all
we'll
right.
continue and look after
the other one them. All right.
the 4 of them.
Yeah. All right. Blessings.
Because you can't make the kids them suffer because of the mother though.
Okay. Yeah, what you say. Because that's the argument some people are making, you know? That's the argument some people are.
They have no response for nothing.
All right. Now say a word here.
All right. Then.
Blessings, man. Cool. Next call, President. Next call. My career will go on. Remember, if you don't have any other mix-up, you know, send on. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, good evening, good night.
Good night.
I bet you can't guess who it is. You don't know my voice.
Yeah, man, I know your voice, man. Why go down? You can't.
So who this is? Who this?
Hold on. You can't
This is Gummy, man, Gummy.
No, you see it, you start already. You know, listen, Gummy. You cannot say no word. Gummy, don't laugh for something serious, man, all right? You cannot say any words that are not allowed. You cannot say words that are not allowed on the radio. All right? You're going to get Prezi in trouble. You're going to get me in trouble. So everybody know that Jamaica, just pay attention to the dumb button and all these things. So, Gummy, what you answer? Why go on, Gummy?
No, me just want to shout you out because, my man don't want me upon the air. So me just you're still the general, so me have to just big you up, you know?
Oh, your man say you're not for call the radio anymore?
Him don't want me upon the air, star.
Why? Him did hear say you call in or something and him did upset?
Listen, like he only had to tell me once. He don't want me upon the air, and that's that. We just left that. But still, me and my own woman, we have to still call the general and say what's up.
I work cool no Gummy. We respect for them ratings there no Gummy. So you still give me a yell and thing.
Yeah, man, we still respect them. But you're a general, you know, and I love your show, but I had to fall back.
Man thing. Respect for that, man. I feel honored and respected for that, Gummy. Enough love and blessings for that. For real, yeah. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so you take care,
So Gummy, like you're under man government and thing, you're not going to call back after this, after that year, you're not going to call back again because you're under man government?
Star. We're chat, star. You know, me I say good night now. Here? I said, we're chat. Me I say good night now.
Oh, all right, Gummy. Cool.
All right?
Yeah, man. Cool.
Later.
Yeah, man. See, the people Gummy say her man says she not for call the radio anymore, so she just call in and give me a 1 year and leave it right this and thing and whatever, you know? And some man government got people and things. Sometimes when the thing reach you have to balance your thing and humble your thing if I saw you see. Give me the next call, Prezi. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings, yeah.
Good night.
Good night, yeah. Well on, stop listening to the radio in the background. Don't do that now. You have to call up the show, all right? So either you turn it off or move away from it. Hello? President, let go the call. People, here we are going. One on the call in. I understand if you're not on the phone and on the radio still on, you know, if you're at Jamaica or New York or whatever, or if you're there someplace and you listen online, someplace else and you listen online. But once I answer the phone, people, we're not supposed to hear the radio in the background. You're getting a delayed broadcast. If you are chatting, you're there and listen to yourself. You're in your own little selfish world. I call up a show because you're going to wait to hear your voice, because you're getting it in a delayed broadcast, and then you're going to mash up your show, right? So when you call in, make sure you're ready for talk, turn off your radio in the background or whatever, or move away from it, all right? Make sure. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, greetings, hello. Yes, Robert, how you doing?
We are dealing with Barra.
Eh?
We are dealing with my boss.
You know some of they are good hunting, what you say?
Yeah, me that take you them and mind them, you know?
Okay. You don't mind all of them, don't?
Man, me don't mind all of them, man. Because you can't make one bother to coil everything, so we don't mind them. Because I remember say, I God put them for her. I don't know that I leave that, man.
Okay, so what you don't mind Pretty Boy picking too?
Them, what you talking about?
Okay.
Mind them and get food and everything, man. Me don't mind them, because you are going out.
Yeah.
You bless me, Rocker. Bless me.
Yeah.
I know me that change man right now, you know.
You's a change man now?
You's a very change man right now.
I lie. Oh, you change now, Robert.
You change man, because me not make nothing worry me again.
Okay. You know, make nothing stress you out again.
You change man, you know. You notice, me not even call and I say, really, change.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
No, well, that is good that you're telling us that, man, because we didn't know that.
Yeah, man, me change car. Only thing me want is a good lady in my life right now. Me that change man right now. Me no make no worry me again.
Okay, really, okay.
Yeah. That change man right now, but
No, but Robert, that you're not changing in that sense. Remember, all along when you've been calling you've always wanted a good woman in your life. So, and you basically say, right now you still want a good woman in your life. So that is not a change. That is still the same, Robert.
let's say what things that usually happen to me, me not really make you fall to me again, me.
Okay.
But then the things come across, me will help them out.
Okay, so tell me one thing what usually happen to you and what you usually do that you don't do anymore. Tell me what.
I usual is a ignorant man and I cut it out,
Okay, you were short-tempered.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know get short-tempered anymore.
Me respect you as my general.
Okay, you respect me as your general. Okay.
Me respect you as a big man, and this show is not a play too.
Well, you have said that on numerous occasions, so we are inclined to believe you, man. Okay.
So is a show where you come and hector yourself and move and make somebody get a call.
Whoa, that is an interesting perspective you just gave us right there. Okay, very good.
Yeah. So
but tell me something. There is this woman in Philadelphia. Her name is Mariska.
Yeah.
She wants to know how tall you are and if you're good looking. So you have to answer it now. She's listening. Go on, talk. So you're talking to Mariska, big woman in Philadelphia. She wants to know how tall you are and if you're good looking. So you talk to her now.
Yeah, me that very good looking youth,
Oh,
me not so tall.
What you mean you're not so tall? You don't know how tall you is?
Me not so tall.
No, but how tall are you? She wants to know how tall you are. What that mean, but you're not so tall?
Me tall. Me not a tall person, but me not so tall like you. That's why we can't go to the door.
What you say you're not so tall to the point where you can't go through?
Yeah.
Well, you can't go through the door, no. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying, Robert, you don't know your height.
Yeah?
You don't know your height.
No, the height. No.
No, but most people know the man. Robert, I am 6 feet 2 inches, right? I know my height. Oh, you don't know, you never gonna where you have to know your height.
Yeah.
You never gonna where you have to tell them your height or with the doctor or whatever when them take your height.
No, me don't go pass. Me is a very tall person, but I'm not tall, me can't pass through the door, me tell you already.
Okay, so he's a very tall person, but you're not so tall.
No, I'm not so tall.
Okay.
I'm a very intelligent person.
And you're a very intelligent person.
Yeah, me that person, me that intelligent person. Anybody who come from the radio, they know that me an intelligent person. I'm a very kind person. Me that kind person.
You're a
me that person like to help people.
You like to help people and you're a kind, intelligent person. Okay.
Me a look where somebody where can love me. Me no want nobody will not love me.
All right then. But Robert, you said that you're good looking. I don't know if you say you're very good looking or you're good looking. So explain yourself to Mariska down there in Philadelphia listening now. Explain how you're good looking. Explain your looks, auntie.
Well, I am a dark person.
Yes.
I have straight nose.
You have straight. When you say you have straight nose, okay, go on talk. Yeah.
And I trim very low.
And what, your ear very low?
Yeah, I trim very low.
You trim very low. Okay, what else? I'm
a hard-working person.
You're a hard-working person. So, Robert, Robert, why you describe your nose but you don't describe your lip and you never describe your ears, you never describe your eye? Why Jamaicans love to describe them nose when they describe them face? Why is that?
They mean your eye not bright already.
Eh?
The eye bright already, you can't see everything, you know.
When you say your eye bright, you can't see everything. Your eye bright. Okay, so what color your eye them?
Blue. Why is it blue?
Hold up.
Blue.
Whoa. Robert, what do you mean? You have blue eyes?
Yeah, blue eyes.
No, I'm not gonna laugh for you know because I know people don't know you have dark Jamaicans with blue eyes. But them, Robert, them usually over the St. Elizabeth side. You there, Linstead, auntie. You sure you're dark skin with blue eyes, Robert?
Yes, man. Anybody in a Linstead, anybody that listens to in a Linstead, Punny Stone, and the whole of St. Elizabeth.
Well on, Robert. Is it blue or what we in a Jamaica call pussy eye?
Yeah, anyway you want to call it, pussy eye, however you want.
Okay, so you have, when you say you have blue eyes, okay. All right, then, okay. And then, so how your mouth stay? Shaka want to know how your mouth stay.
What kind of, you have to tell us everything for this show.
No, but no, all I'm saying is Shaka, she want to know if you're good looking. So she gonna want me a help her. And when me ask you to describe yourself, the only thing you bust out with typical Jamaican, me have straight nose. Right?
Yeah.
So me I say she need to know some other thing them. So tell her about your lip them now, Robert. Tell Mariska about your lip them.
Me lip.
Your lip them, describe your lip them to her. Because then if she gonna end up a kiss, she don't need to know your lip them tan. Describe your lip them to her, make she know your lip them tan. Tell her how your lip them. Hold on, Robert. Tell her how your lip them tan and add on anything in it for spice it up for make she get it. Robert, she's listening the show from Philadelphia and Pennsylvania. Don't tell me if you tell her. She'll listen you right now. So, hold on. So, describe your lips to Mariska Dennis, okay? And if you want to add on anything about your lip them, if you kind of give her little lyrics, if she get interested in you, feel free to do that. So talk to her now. Me out of the picture now. Talk to Mariska now about your lip them. Tell her.
Yeah, my lip is cherry lip.
Murder! Robert, you kill me! Yo, murder! Help! Talk to her again, Robert. Tell her about your lip them. Tell her about your good lip them.
Yeah, pour up into a raga.
No, man. No, tell her about your good lip them.
Too much, man. The lady can't hear you.
Achoo, man. Shut up. All right, talk to her again about your lip them here, Robert. Talk to her again. Yeah, go on, talk. Sorry. Talk now. Yeah.
My name is Robert.
Yeah.
From Linstead.
Yeah.
I am a tall person, not so tall that I can't pass through the door.
Right.
I'm a working person, intelligent person, like to help people, you know?
Good.
Yeah, that is my religion. I like to give and get back. God bless me in them the way, you know?
Right.
So when you give, you get back.
No. What I'm saying is, finish talking to her about your lips. I'm saying, go on, talk to her about it.
Definitely, me not tell her about the lip already.
Oh, no. I told me to cut you off and thing, but just finish that. Tell her now. Finish that.
My lip is very nice and tasty. You don't want to laugh when I call her, you know?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, go on talk. Go on talk.
When you kiss the lip, you get a nice cherry ice lip.
Yeah.
That is what I explain myself. Okay.
So what you say, when she kiss your lips, she'll get one nice cherry tasting lip, don't?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I'm no boring man.
And what?
Not a boring man.
You're not a boring man.
I like to give people things, carrying everything.
Okay.
Carry the full package.
The full package and thing again.
Right,
so you say you're a kind person. So when you're kind, like, where you that kind? Where you that gear now? For sure, your appreciation of her now and thing. Where you that gear?
Yeah. It's first time I carry on a date. I already carry on a date for the first time.
Nice. Very good.
First time I look about and make me get some nice food to eat.
Nice.
You know?
No, but Robert, you have swag, man. You're like a little debonair. Look at you, Mr. Suavecito. But like, if you're taking her on a date now, like, where would you take her on a date now, Robert? Like, what kind of date you that carry her?
I would take her to Negril.
You take her to Negril? Okay, where in Negril now? Where you that do a Negril?
On the beach,
On the
you
beach
know?
in the grill. Hot, you know. Yes, on the beach in the grill.
Yeah, champagne popping
Champagne popping
and shopping
and shopping.
and flopping.
What you say? Champagne popping, shopping, flopping. No, I think you should have put flopping in it, you know.
No, you have to put a little phrase, that phrase.
Yeah. So it's champagne popping, shopping, and probably some stabbing.
All right. Oh, you. You're too rude, man.
No, Roberta, where you get that Mutty Perkins laugh from? You know what say you laugh like Mutty Perkins a while ago?
Yeah.
I saw Mutty Perkins usually like Mutty go. Yeah, man, it's a Mutty Perkins laugh a while ago. So you that carry Mariska go and nigrill now and champagne popping and shopping and thing and rubbing and kissing and of course you have to go on with look swiping too and thing, but and look stabbing and all them something there and thing. All right, Robert, you made your case. All right. So Mariska heard you. So we'll see what she say and thing, and if she want to link you, we make him.
Let you get the number first.
No, I'll give her the number. Yeah, I'll give her the number if she link here, cause I know her. And she have my number, so she will link me and make me know. Yeah? All right then, cool. Yo, Robert are the boss. Real general. Now, for if you need to take a page or two out of Robert's swag book. I want to know about player. Okay. I want to them, Robert, teach them the game. I want some fool around here. Next call. Hello.
Yes, sir, Raga.
Greetings. What going?
There, you know you. Big of yourself in a Jenna.
Cool. Who this? I only God can tell you.
Nah, man. Robert, a joke, so I come to Marisa.
No, but it's who this? Who this? Cardell. Okay, Cardell.
Yeah.
So you come from Mariska?
When you open the place up, that's what I used to link the eye often, but to me know in the Far East, I just kick back at night time and listen to the eye, you know?
Cooler man. So what you say? Robert, I ramp with the thing, so you come from Mariska,
yeah. So Marisa need a man like me to treat her like a lady.
All right, so tell me how you that just mash up her head now and woo her and make she know say the real thing around here, right? Tell me now, talk now. Cause she listening, me see her, she had a post on the IrieJam 360 Facebook page. She's right there.
Man.
So talk to her. Talk to her.
Ladies out there, so.
Talk to her. Leave.
Need to enter my camp.
Why?
And first thing, Raga, I'm not looking for a help. I'm searching for a soulmate.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah?
No, all right, hold on. She's listening right now, so talk to her directly. Talk to her directly right now. Talk to her.
Yeah, so I'm not looking for a helper. I'm looking for a soulmate. Somebody where you can sit back, relax with, have a good relationship, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm a type of guy who loves soul music.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I saw me stay. And you know one of them lazy person the way kick back and feel say, woman, if you get up out of bed and look about breakfast from here. You get up and prepare breakfast when you're a princess. She's like a lady. And she's a royal princess.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, man. So you have to make her feel special.
Yes.
And guess what? Me not fall in love with a woman. Me stand in love.
It's a terminal man talk up, sir. Yes. And what you mean by that now? What you mean by that?
I mean, to me, it's when you fall in love too much.
Yeah.
Too much make in the house.
Too much what?
Too much make.
Too much make.
Yeah.
Explain.
Because you find too much fault, everything trouble you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So when you stand in love now, you nurture it.
Yeah.
Water it and make it grow.
Yeah.
The love grow.
Yes.
Have you been at work?
Yeah.
And you know, so it's lunchtime. You get your lunch at 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
And your mind just think about Marisa.
Mariska. Yeah, Mariska. Say Mariska. Yeah, Mariska. Yeah.
Marisa.
Yeah, Mariska. Hold on. Say Mariska. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, Marisa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just thinking about her, your belly full.
When you say lunchtime, you don't go for your food, but just in thinking about her, your belly full.
You mean your stomach full
Oh
of you
my
because what?
God.
You know, say, sure, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, say, you have a princess at home where both of us love each other.
You and I, yes, man. Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yes, man. Yes. Yeah.
At evening time, you come home, you see, start out herself and looking very nice. You step in, you say, wow.
Wow.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes, you know, she do it with purpose.
Yeah.
Doing something and make something fall.
Yeah.
And just to bend down.
Well, she do for purpose and make something drop and then to bend down.
No, I mean, you know, she tries to catch her.
Oh,
yeah?
so you say you
just the way
so hold on.
dress
So is
inside the home.
Oh, so is that you see the way you envision Mariska as so she's there?
No, not really she. Hello,
Right.
no, I mean, we just attack.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you say she would just drop something and then when she bend over to pick it up and thing, and make you see the whole her hallelujah and her glory, don't you?
No, that be really. You say, wow, come me money.
What you say what? What you say what?
Wow, come me money. She looking good.
What you say? What you say? Any of Mariska drop something and bend over and make you see up in the hallelujah, you just say, whoa, come me money. Yeah, we're not gonna murder me that tonight, you know. Mine on the kill off, Mr. Mine on the kill off, Mr. Rushbelly tonight, you know. Listen to me, now, man. All right, then. Let's say a word. All right, then. So the last thing now before you go, just tell me something that is just incredibly exceptional and special about you where Mariska can look forward to get from you. Just say that now.
Well, to me, you know.
Yeah.
It's a straight love, you know, honesty.
Yeah.
And everything, you know.
Yeah.
And remember, she's special. She's a 1 in a million.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes. But listen to one thing, you know, Mariska is an attractive woman, you know. She has this petite body and thing, and she's self-assured. She's pretty confident, and she's very cosmopolitan. She's a modern... Hold on. She's a modern woman and things, so she's not, you know, encapsulated in these past conventions that serve to repress and hold on women. And she's sexually liberated and things. So she would want, you know, a man to feel liberated and comfortable and confident in himself, you know, to do the something with them and things like that. So you think, say, you could have do that for her too?
Like what? It all depends.
It all depends. Suppose she wants you to bite her up all over her body. We are laughing.
Well, to be honest, I'm going to let you know straightforward.
Yeah, what?
Well, I'm not one of those cannibals.
You're not a cannibal?
No. I'm telling you the truth.
What you
You're a real man.
Yeah, you're a real man. A real man will do that something they don't.
You know, he's a real man.
No, so you say he's a real man, and your definition of a real man is that you don't do that something they don't. You're not cannibal. Yo, all right, cool up. That's a word, man. Big up yourself.
No, more let me leave it still, you know. That's me and anyone across the
all right, yeah, man.
To my voice and Bridge 19.
All right, you see, when no phone I go out with, we may have to go run all a dating. Well, we have to go actually do a dating thing, a love connection thing. Organize it and put it together. This is the Bridge 99 FM, you know. The thing that is unique about the Bridge is that the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica is connected to New York. It's connected to Canada. Hold on. Right. It's connected to Canada. There's a station in Canada that would broadcast on. There's a station in London that they broadcast on. The Bridge is all over in the Jamaican diaspora. So it might be a good idea if we do a kind of love connection. I'll organize it. Don't you worry and think. So you want to leave your number and leave your number quick before we take a break. Leave your number.
Yeah, and you know, Canada, England, America.
Yeah, okay.
Beautiful females, honest.
Yeah.
And real.
No, leave your number quick, we have to take a break. Yeah, what? Tell them your name. Tell them.
1-876.
Yeah.
572.
Yeah.
6956. That's 1-876. 572-6956.
Hold on, do you not know say you have 2 numbers in your phone number, man, 69?
No, I'm giving them the WhatsApp number that they can look at.
No, but
who
me
they
I tell you
talking
something, I tell you, are you aware that the number 69 in your phone number?
Yes, man, I understand where you go.
Okay, me just I say, all right, tell them back your number again with 69 in it. Tell them back.
Record Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's 1876 572-6956. And you're talking to Cardell.
Okay, 572-6956. 572-6956. Well, now your first name is Cardell. Is your last name Green?
No.
Okay, so
I'm not. I don't work at the Broadcasting Commission.
I never said that, you know. You say your name Cardell. All I did was ask if your last name is Green. Is you say it, you know. So no, I do not work. Yo, John, all right, big up yourself, Cardell.
Brother, any friend me get, you will show say a whole heap of laughter and fun, brother. Just like that.
All right then. Now say a word here. Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, man. So I'm listening on from some calls from some beautiful ladies across the
across the world, right there, no, and thing. All right.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. All right. Now say a word. All right, people, we're going to have to take a little break right now. We're soon forward.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever. This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Check. Back in the juggling. We are there. Bounty Killer Talk. We are there. Send on a phone call, Prezi, one time. Greetings. Hello.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Hello.
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 Yes.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
I am doing really well, you know. I am doing really well. Giving thanks. I'm happy.
Yeah, that Robert killed me, man. The Robert cracked me up.
Robert cracked you?
How come he don't know? Yeah, how come he don't know his height?
Robert?
How come he don't know how tall he is?
Well, perhaps he has never had reason to identify that fact about himself. I don't know.
He must be real short.
No, you know, the man said him tall, but him not too tall when he can't walk through doorway.
That means him short. That means he's a short man then.
No. With Robert, he can't really tall, you know. I think, but with Robert have that element of unpredictability where you can't use conventional logic to understand what he must say, because it could mean anything. You know, the spectrum for Robert's comment for certain things can mean a wide array of things, you know.
And then he says he's a very intelligent man.
Yes.
You should ask him about his educational level. Very intelligent man.
No, but be careful, you know. Hold on.
Yeah.
Intelligence, people confuse intelligence and being educated. It's actually two different things, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll put it this way. Hold on.
Uh-huh.
You have a lot of educated people who are not intelligent. And you have a lot of intelligent people who are not educated. People confuse intelligent with intellectual.
No, you have some smart persons.
Yeah.
Some smart persons who are not educated. They're smart. Doesn't mean that they're intelligent. They're smart.
No. But define what is intelligent? What is intelligent? What do you know intelligent?
Mean your intellectual ability, educational ability, educational standard, and all of that. That's
No. Hold on, darling. Just so you know, and if you don't mind me sharing with this, I'm not trying to whatever. But the definition that you just gave for intelligent, it's incorrect, and unfortunately, it's one of those things that we were taught while going at, and I'm going to explain you why it's incorrect, right? Intelligence really has to do with your reasoning capacity, right? How well you think.
That's a part of your intellectual ability.
Right. Now, the assumption is that when people become intellectually competent, it improves their reasoning abilities. But I want you to know.
Their intelligence.
Right, but
it improved their intelligence.
It
yes.
can, but it is erroneous. It is incorrect to equate intelligence with being educated. All right. Look at a lot of these, for example, these racist people out here who are educated, have all kind of thing back and, but they're not intelligent. They believe in a whole heap of foolishness. That is evidence of faulty reasoning. So they're not intelligent.
That means they're dumb to certain extent.
No, but the point I'm making is you have people with a whole heap of letters behind their names who are not intelligent. They're dumb. They're educated. They have title. They're credentialed, but they're not intelligent. Jamaica have enough of them down there. Enough of them, but we are conditioned to believe that if somebody has a obvious command of intellectual principles and so forth, what if a big word comes out of them mouth, and what if we are conditioned to believe that that is an intelligent person when you have a lot of people in Jamaica who are not like that.
But it runs together. It coincides with each other.
It can,
but it balances out the other.
No, it doesn't coincide, but it can coincide.
It can.
It can.
Well, it balances. Well, let's say semi-balances out each other.
Oh, well,
let's say semi.
Okay,
then.
all right, you can hold it if you want. I think. All right, but perhaps you never know.
With Robert.
Yeah.
Anyway, with Robert said he'll take care of the person, and he need to tell the person a little bit more about himself. Not that they're going to take the person to Negril, because the person may not want to go to Negril. I wouldn't want to go to Negril.
That's a good point. I hope Robert is listening. I hope him hear that. Because you wouldn't want to go to Negril, don't you?
No, it's too dangerous going to Westmoreland these days. Yeah.
Okay.
And he has blue eyes. He says dark skin, but he has blue eyes. Yeah, I have some green touches in my eyes too, and I'm dark skin. How dark is he? You know, I'm not looking at him.
Right. But you want to know how dark he is, right? So what do you think about his straight nose? What do you think about Robert's straight nose?
I don't know about his straight nose. That doesn't appeal to me.
That don't appeal.
Yeah, I don't like broad-nosed men. I don't like broad-nosed men anyway. But he wouldn't be somebody. His description would not appeal to me.
Okay,
no.
Robert. Okay, all right.
Just he's responding to Mariska. You said the person's name.
Yeah, Mariska. Yeah, Mariska in Philadelphia. Yeah.
Right. Then he should let her know a little bit more about it.
So Robert need to let Mariska know a little bit more about him. So, okay, all right, he's listening. So the next time him call. But Robert, the better call back tonight, though. One next night, Robert. Not tonight, but anyway.
But I crack up with this aganeering. When you said the lady said aganeering, I really crack up on that.
Yeah, man.
To your show every week.
That is Donna from Pembroke, you know. That is a long time TamFam, you know. And she's still there, Donna from Pembroke. Bust that word upon the show back in the day when we were at Jamaica. Aganeering.
I don't blame her.
Yeah. Yes, too aganeering. All right, blessings here, darling. Yeah, man. You take it.
All right.
Okay. Aganeering. Some sample word bust, man. Who remember one time somebody called in and said, she'll give you a mix-up, and she said, Raga the woman gave him one uncounteractable lick. An uncounteractable lick. That means that when you get a lick like that, you know, you can't no come back, you know, you can't whap it back with nothing, you know, because it is uncounteractable. Give me the next caller, President. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Wagwan.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Brother.
What?
I'm good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm calling you to I want to talk about the last male caller that called on the show just now.
Okay, yeah, the one Cordell?
Right, Cordell.
Yes. You want to
listen.
Yeah.
Cordell must know that nowadays women you know, we don't want the man them we talk about them not do this and them not do that. You have to can do everything nowadays because we have plenty choices.
Okay.
You have to bite up and swipe and do everything.
So talk to him, then, Melissa. Talk to him.
No woman don't want a man that can bite them up all over and swipe all over. We want to enjoy ourselves. No, we're big grown adults.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
We can do anything. I'm willing to try anything.
Right.
Now. If
it's exciting and fun and not go too far, you willing to try it, no?
Yes, willing to try.
Okay.
I'm not gonna try it one time and see. If not, then if it's not up to par, then forget it. But when him talk about him,
the man say man a cannibal, man. He say him say man a cannibal.
Man nobody not ask him to eat no meat.
Yeah.
You're not gonna eat no meat. You just have to bite it, pinch it here and pinch it there. What kind of man that? That's why I'm not a woman.
Oh, so you not actually eating a meat or whatever. Say yes, probably a little chips, a little kiss, a little lick, a little ice cream engagement, don't it? Mm.
And a little whipped cream and
a little whipped cream and
exactly. But you know, I them old time man from Jamaica we don't know how to do
okay.
All them know if it just jump on woman and juke 5 minutes and them done.
Okay. So basically, you tell Cardell, you tell, what I'm hearing from you can correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, so nowadays, woman, by the way, where you calling from? Are you calling from New York?
Right here in Queens. I'm sitting in my car listening to
Queens, New York. All right. So, Cardell, I want you to hear what the lady is saying. She called from Queens, New York, and she said, nowadays, woman, them want you kind of bite them up and munch them up and thing and mix up a thing and whatever. She said, she know want that look, you know, so you're not going to do certain things, right? I mean, so I tell him again. Just tell him one more time again. Just tell him one more.
You have to know how to bite and swipe and lick little bit of everything. You know? You have to do a little bit of everything nowadays.
No, okay.
Because your woman will find a man where going to go deep dive. And you know, get her
yes. Okay. Yeah. So basically now, what are his chances of getting a woman who go want him to do that and thing and whatever? What are his chances of getting a nice woman? Can you know, because it sounds adventurous and thing. What are his chances now? What if you were to give him like a percentage or what are his chances to get a woman?
It's very, very, very slim.
Slim, okay.
Because nowadays the woman the woman them tell you up front.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're not muff dive, then I want you.
Okay, if you're not muff dive, if you're not diving at the muff, a deep dive in the muff, the woman them not want. Okay.
Right.
All right.
Exactly. You're not gonna present that first off. No matter how the woman nice, and I'm gonna tell you that I like she tell.
Right.
Okay, eventually. She not respond to you because of that.
No, because
men are not bold enough to come out and say, because I'm not going to come out, I'm telling you this.
Right.
I would never say this to somebody that I'm dating, you know.
Right.
But eventually, after 6 months or so, I'm Mr. say, you're not going with that. And what I find is most men, they're asking you to do it. You know?
Wait, no, you say most men, when you say ask to do it, you mean do it to them or them want to do it to you?
Yes, them want you smoke them pipe.
Or them want you for blow them skin flute and thing and whatever. Okay.
Right, but them not willing for swipe.
But them not.
But them are gonna tell us. Them are asking. But them not doing.
No, but a lot of women say when them walk on the road, that the first thing man I tell them say them want to them do, you know.
Well, I don't know what kind of men that, because those men I don't want.
Oh, you don't want the man them who want to. Oh, go on. What you were saying?
Everybody you see,
okay.
Tell them say you want to do that, then you're not clean. Because if you're going to do that to everybody where you sit on the street, then forget about it. You know what I mean?
Okay. So even though you want it from whoever you there with, you don't want a man where the first thing he might bring up to you. That is unattractive.
No. If that's the first thing, him just kill my vibe.
Kill your vibes right there. Because it's a careless mouth man that.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You can't just wanna go down on somebody you don't know how clean or the person carry themselves.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
What are they about? And
Yeah.
you just want to go down on a person like that.
Yeah.
But anyway, Reggae, I don't want to keep up your show.
Yep.
But may I take application?
Yeah, take
Just
application.
Want somebody to go out.
You,
Yes,
you
just
want
to have
somebody to
fun,
date,
you know?
just to have fun and date and thing like that. Oh, okay. You know, say, no. This, you know that I'm hearing this from you guys. I'm really going to organize this thing, you know, about dating and see if we can put it together and people, you know, present themselves and say what they're about and ask the appropriate questions and things.
Rather, I had taken myself off the market for about 5 years.
Yeah.
Not dating.
Right.
I think I want to jump back into it.
Okay.
But I want to start very slowly.
Very slowly. Okay.
Just go, you know, we go out and, you know, we see what
No,
happens.
but hold on, no, but just so you know that.
I don't need a man to take care of me, though, because I have a very good job.
Very good
and
job.
I have a little business.
A little business, nice.
Right. So money is not my problem.
Hold on, but real quick before you go, now that you actually started doing it, but let me just state it explicitly. Just tell us a little bit about yourself that, you know, should be relevant for men to know if they would want to date you.
Okay, I'm a Gemini.
Mm-hmm.
And my birthday is coming up on Monday.
Okay. All right.
Yes. You know, I like to go out. I like the movies and stuff like that. I'm not a party person so much. I would go to a nice party.
Right.
I like red wine with my meals. I like eat out at least twice a week.
Okay.
And I'm a registered nurse.
Okay.
I have a business.
Okay.
And I have my own business.
Okay.
I have 4 grown kids, but
Okay.
I don't have any responsibility except my business.
Right.
So.
And you don't have to give us your specific
somebody-
age, but you can just give us a range so that some of the little young boy them know so that I know that's the thing then about to come back.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm not ashamed to tell nobody my age. Me are 62 Monday, I'm hot. I tell you.
And you look good, and you look good and stay well for 62, though.
Look good and stay fit and look well good.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
To be honest, right now,
Yeah.
the reason why, not like I can't find somebody, but I appear 42 and 48 year old. I'm not interested in them. The 2 young have children those ages.
Oh.
I need a grown up. I need a man closer to my age.
Okay,
55
so like 55 and up. Okay, all right.
All of these little 38-year-old boy, them come tell me about age is not a number. It is more than a number for me. I don't want to call you a child.
Okay, so Robert out of the picture then. Robert out of the picture then.
So I see my youngest daughter, I go say to me, say, Mom, what were you thinking?
Okay.
Were you thinking, Mom?
No, but you have a lot of women. You have a lot of women out there dating men younger now. Them in them 50s and 60s, and them a date man in them 30s, and so at some time, you know, at the same age as them children, and them telling them children outright, listen, I raise you, and you're all right now. Allow me make me live my life. Them want to date a younger man, and thing, and them say them don't want to be blasted with that double standard, you know, because when older man do it, them not a problem and thing, you know. But go on.
Well, they're entitled to their, you know, their way of life, but I don't want that.
You don't want
that. What can a 30-year-old boy, young man, and me have to discuss? Tell me.
Well,
what may we discuss?
Right. Right.
Tell me.
There may likely be an imbalance.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know, we can't even talk about music. You don't know the music when me know.
Right, okay.
He hasn't been around.
Yeah.
You know, past events. I mean, there's nothing that we can talk about. Maybe him very good in the bed, but that's about it.
Next thing you know, him going to roll up on you and say, come and go dance. Do the stir fry.
Well, me can't do the stir fry, Raga. Me can't do everything with them I do. Same way. All over. Me can't do the puppet tail. All of that.
No, but it's funny you say it, you know. Them young people nowadays, them don't even know puppy tail dance, you know. even that, even that is before them. You know, a different thing around the place right now with them. Anyway, but big up.
Listen, when my kids come into my car, them don't understand. When my son asks, sit in my car the other day, and I'm playing some music because I'm listening to the radio. I listen to 105.1, and my son is like, can you remove this lady and bring back my mom? Where's my mom? Because I used to listen to, that slow music, 106.7, and they used to say, Mom, why you listen to that music? That's my, and now I'm listening to hip hop and singing on the song, and they was like, where's my mom? Can they bring back my mom? And so, I totally changed since I started saying, okay, I'm going to start dating again. Okay. My son is like, well, I have to approve of any man. I said, when I start approving the girls that you're dating, then you can approve the man that I'm going to date.
Brighty. Yes. But anyway, we have to break. We're coming up to the top of the hour now when we have to break and thing like. No, but I'm really gonna organize that in some way, somehow, I look at dating game type of thing, and to facilitate some safe ways for people to make a connection by their choice, given what they have heard and so forth. Yeah. And then we have a look at check-in back and say, how is it going? How was the date? That look at something there and thing or whatever. I must put it together.
That would be nice.
All right.
That would be nice. Yes.
All right. So, blessings and respect here.
I hope one of the dentists. All right. Good night.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. No, people are dating something here, Well, don't know, say Robert make it because Robert started the thing. But I want to leave my number. I want a nice woman. Ray. And see, this thing is mushrooming to something, quite plausible, quite feasible. Something like that could be put together and thing. And it could be fun. And provide some opportunity for people to meet people from similar cultural background, given that this is a Jamaican Caribbean show primarily, and so forth. And it, shall we say, this show generally attracts people with a particular type of personality that is disposed to fun and, enjoyment and all these things. So who knows? We could perhaps put something like that together. We'll see how it goes. Again, I want to remind you that at the top of the hour on a Friday night, we have to break for 3 minutes, as we were about to do right now. So every time at the top of the hour, we break for 3 minutes. It's a 93.5 thing here in New York City. Once a big respect to all our people in my Jamaica right now who locking on the thing. I'm getting crazy texts. We have some friends who a long time in a year from them people on our link, man. I say, Reggae, me there, listen and whatever and all them thing. Henry Miller, big up yourself up there. Up a John Blair and thing. Large up yourself, my brother. Everything is everything. And thing. Ennis, Decky, large up and thing. Follow the arrow, Decky. You don't know. Concrete respect. Can't dead. People want to break right now. Soon forward. 1 more hour to go. Soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yo, as you know, I've been putting up all Ragashanti live shows over at our Mixup yard. Well, at Ragashanti TV over YouTube. And I put up a show recently. I'm a member Mixup from the show. Yeah, I'm coming Prezi. And it was interesting because it was a situation where this woman calling and basically she find out, say, our daughter-in-law and our son-in-law Asato, right? So our son wife and our daughter husband Asato. And what was interesting in the mix-up was that she was more upset with our son wife, what the son wife I do. So she was more upset. She wanted our son to leave the wife who Asato with our daughter husband. But she was more on the side for say, I tell her that, I said, no, your husband good to you type of thing and whatever. I mean, at the end, she said she feel it me a mash up, but because as she catch them, and she actually catch, when them Asato, she hear, the son wife a choke in the put the headers, right? She a give her daughter husband a headers and a choke. She in there choke and then she ball out and say, yes, it's a choke, wait. One big excitement and whatever. But again, the interesting thing from it was that she was more accommodating of her daughter to stay with her husband. So she's more open for the daughter, her daughter stay with the husband. But she was more upset at her son's wife. And for her thing, the son feel like the wife. But she tell the daughter, say, no man, just, whatever, I thought like, she say, man and thing and whatever, and that old school something there. So again, the mix-up was our son wife, she catch her son wife, a swipe her daughter husband. But she was more accepting of her daughter stay with her husband and her son for Lego, him wife. Interesting. See how the man them always I get the benefit of the doubt and the woman them be treated wrongly and thing. Okay, I want to remind you the number up here from New York or Connecticut. New York or Connecticut. I must have told me go Connecticut last week, Big up Donovan Dakers and the Captain Colin Hines who teared down Hartford last week. Play some bad vintage tune and thing. Hey, the thing they turn up. My drive go up there and enjoy it. Well, big up yourself. The whole Connecticut massive large up on itself. The party there, the noise. Make sure they keep it every year. If they keep it every year, I'm going to drive go up there every year like I did. And thing, large up on itself and thing. Donovan Dakers and the Captain Colin Hines on the deal with the thing. Wicked last week. Down at Hartford and thing. Blessings. Okay, people. I want to remind you the number if you're calling from the United States or Canada. The toll-free number. That number is 888 546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Yes, Dr. Ragashanti.
Wagwan.
Good day, yes, sir. It's very hard to get,
My hard forget. I lie. For real, my hard forget.
Because I hope I want me call in and I wait for you to tell me cut off and call back and wait to tell you go on the break up on the hour.
Oh, she know, but watch her now. Remember now, like, I think you did call me and tell me, I got to tell you, so now that you have me, do as you like with me.
Me just want to divert from your dating topic tonight a little.
Yes.
And not actually segueing out of your range and stuff like that. But me I say from Wednesday night with your argument that you put across that you don't like the idea of you like being with a woman, like you go with her on a date, or you and her are along together, and maybe for the first time that you and her start out and so on, you know, one of the start out, she are going to look for you and tell you, say, she wants you to buy, like when you say, the lady look for you and tell her, say, before me I start, you want one load of sand.
No, she didn't want 500 black, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So, you never did know, say, like them, something there,
You never did know, say, mean like them, something there? What you mean?
Yeah, because to when me did put cross to you the last time when Anthropologist did call you time and in a talk and you tell Anthropologist say you have to buy her window and the vibrator and she tell you, say, no, material she want for you, you never take it seriously. But when you know when she call you and I tell you, say, if she had been with a man and she want PR tattoo, she want black and cement. Yeah, no, cement, yes, black and cement she want. You understand?
Yeah.
30 bags she did say.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So me don't know say when time me did look on you and beg you see black and sun and so me don't know say like there's something there, sir.
Hold on. You had asked me for black and sun?
Yeah. You want me to remind you when?
When?
Yeah, me can remind you. I know nothing out of the ordinary. But when one time when I was in Cali and you that about the vibrator and the dildo, me the Cali I said then Dr. Ragashanti, since the money we are going to take to buy the dildo and vibrator, well, she don't really want buy me one load of sun and black with it. And that me tell you and you say you ask me the reason why I want it, and I tell you. You say, I don't really know how could me take it make upset. I want it to finish up or continue with me.
No. Okay, now I think there's a distinction to be made here, okay? So perhaps it's a good idea. That would be a good time for me to make this thing. All right. Send me a you. Well, to be honest with you, I don't go around buying sand, block, and cement for anybody. I don't do that.
No,
No. Just listen now. But say you and I are friends, right? Right. So me and you are friend, and even if we're not even friend like that, but me know in some way, me know you in some capacity where me and you cool like that. And if me have it, right, and you ask me, say, you know, so I need some block and cement. There is nothing wrong with you asking me for that as a friend, which would be different, right?
Okay.
Hold on. Which would be different if you and I were dating for a while, and given the situation you were speaking of, if my instinct did I say, boy, me never feel for jump and I move to you and whatever, and me I hold off and for a while, and then I'm going and I'm a go against my spirit and say, you know what, you look like a pleasant person, and then, you know, whatever, and then me I get feel like you and thing, and I feel you out and whatever and thing and whatever, and kind of develop an attraction for you. And then just before me and you start out, you're going to tell me, say you want black and sun and whatever, this and that. That is different than if, you know, me have a friend or an associate or a colleague, and I can help them, I help them. You know, people help people. People help me in a life when me I come up, so I always help people. So nothing wrong with that. So, so you saying that at that time, there was nothing. Hold on, listen. There was absolutely nothing wrong with you expressing that. That was totally fine. I didn't have any objection to that, you know? All right? It would be different if me and you date and know I think say you like me like that, and we have a connection and thing, and just when time me and you naked and me I go do something, yes, listen to me now, me I gonna need some black and cement and sand. That is just so buto. That is just so you know, you don't do that. That's not the way to go about it, you know?
Okay. You understand where you're asking from now.
But you see, you look then now from you hear that when you know you did a ride your Eddie, that you have to call in, come talk about it, and
yes, you have to clarify, see me something, say, so that's something that give me the little cement and black them, the sand and the black, because you know, like there's something there, and explain yourself at the time, because we depend really, you don't know, you can go explain everything like that, so we know we starting to come from when you say that, so that's why I say let me call and clarify that.
All right, tell me something. Tell me what you think about this, right? A woman was dating a man, right? And the man, you know, the man was the one who was courting her, spending on her and all these things. Then finally, she decided she going to sleep with him. So she sleep with him, and he stayed over the night. And then the morning, him wake up, and him wake her up, and him say, I'm going to go now, and him bed, and thing, and them kiss, and thing, and then he left. So up till this point, you know, the man was very kind to her and nice to her, and him left. What do you think about her conclusion that him and a good man? Because other man who she date, when them come over and them leave, them always leave a money beside the bed or a little envelope and thing. And she said, him never left nothing. And a woman not supposed to. This is the first time the man sleep with her, you know. What you think about what she said right this?
No, that's a wrong statement where she made this. Because I can't really explain that part to you all in a one way. All right. You see, with some women and men now, in some like those type of relationship and so on.
Yeah.
For example, you and I, we are in this where you meet them. Yeah. And then we are going to start out. Here for the first time.
Yeah.
And in our instance now, we are going to give you one impression. So if me and you go there, you have to go give me one money or you have to give me something. Otherwise, find that you find me and you meet and even when we are going to find a little casualness, or you button your pants, so you always are buying me things and you always are giving me things as a woman and what have you, and me thank you and what have you. So now me and you reach the party, me and you start. And me I go expect say no, me not give you the impression that you can leave money with me and what have you. Okay. But the point still remains say some women go into a life, go say them there with a man in a that instance. You understand?
Right.
Yes. Say then there with the man and me I sleep for the first time. Me I go sleep tonight, so he not gonna give me one money. But I know so every relationship go.
No. Hold on. Not only that, and if I remember correctly, well, with the discussion we were having about it with the person who it was somebody's it was the woman for the person who me did I talk to, it was her male relative woman. All right then. But and if I remember correctly, she actually said like, you know, and they will leave like $100 or whatever. So my response was, that is just so unattractive and just like whatever, because it means that she's $100 girl. She's $100 girl who, you know, you leave $100 for sort out or whatever. That is how she's presenting herself. You understand what I'm saying? And then now, me nah wait name there, you know, but if you go bring that to a man now who, you know, woman and sex and, you know, attractive woman and sex and whatever is no problem to him, has never been a problem to him and whatever. You bring them something to a man, you know, who not frightened for front and whatever.
Yes.
He might go look on that like as like, you just cheat me yourself. You just like you demean yourself because, you know, because a man like him not frightened Friday for juju and them something and you roll him. You gonna look like you're an idiot.
You understand?
Yeah.
Prostitute out yourself then.
Yeah, and then worse if you drop it like at $100 too.
Yeah. You understand? So for example, when me and you don't start out, you go pay me. You understand?
Yeah. You come over, you stay over, you don't even leave a thing on the side table. I'm used to man who leave a thing like where I leave $100 on the side table. Like seriously?
No, I know that the type of relationship is. So
all right.
You shouldn't expect no money from this.
All right, blessings. Yeah, I'm going to take our next call and thing. But big up, and I'm glad we had the opportunity to clarify that. And thank you for providing me the opportunity to clarify that, you know, rather than to conclude that that is how I was and then perhaps go and share it to other people when such wouldn't have been the case and thing. Big up yourself here. Love and blessings here. All right, then. Cool. All right. Interesting. Here we go. Next call. Good night. Hello.
My man, they lose the girl, you know, man. He lose the girl. Right now, this is where woman want to do it. So he might lose the girl. You come and say.
What you say, Robert? What you say, what? Huh?
You call in and say my flat with you.
Yeah.
You say,
yeah, because him call in and say you not going with nothing. Say, I say, Robert, a ramp and thing and whatever. So what you are saying, Robert?
Call in and say, you know, you're a lady call in and say, you're a lady call in.
Yeah, the lady call in and she talk up and thing and this a nice lady too, you know, Robert. Nice, and yeah, she call in. So what you say, him lose the girl? Why you say him lose it? Because you say him lose it because him now do something then?
Yeah, but me, I want to know that lady there.
Oh, you want to know that lady there?
Yeah.
But Robert, tell me something. Then if Cardell call in and you say Cardell, basically you say Cardell flop himself then because him uno do the something them. Because the lady call in and say so basically you are saying now if you so if you did in another position there and you have a nice lady and all them thing there, whatever, you would have do the something them Cardell wouldn't do, right? Eh? Eh? Robert? Then Robert just gone so right there. So when me ask a question, Robert?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what? Yeah, so you would Prezi? Nah. All right, yeah. So what you say, Robert? You would have do the something of them?
Yeah, because you go on. That's why listen, me want to know that lady and let me know about my sister with me.
Okay, yeah. Okay, because you would have do the something of them for her, don't
you? I'm going to let them know about my sister with me.
No, but Robert, when I ask you, not answer. So you'd do the something of them, right? Huh? No, so I say if you are the sexy nice nurse that have her money and everything, I know she nice, and she want you for bite her up on them something there. You'd do it for her, kiss her up, or hold her body.
Yeah, please the woman, you know.
Okay, all right then, Robert. Well, let me tell Mariska, Robert say we do the something of them.
You have to please the woman.
That's right, Robert. Tell them, yeah.
Yeah, you have to please the woman. And if you want to call me at 501 1522.
You never stop. You never stop till you're throwing your number, eh?
Yeah,
you never. You know, say a fool. Well, Robert, you know, say a fool. You take me for down.
No, me not take you for
no. You know, say a idiot. You take me for Robert. Robert, you know, say you're going like you want to come clown up me so like you look a play thing, I look a woman thing and whatever this and that. Eh?
No, I'm not doing that.
So you run your number? You didn't ask for permission for run the number a while ago. Hold on. Me say you didn't ask for permission for run the number a while ago. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Yeah, you hear what me say? Don't run the number again unless we get permission. Yeah? Don't run the number again. No, because you say you're willing to do what you have to do for please the woman. You don't. Well, hey, what me just tell you, say, why you still run the number for? What me just tell you? What me just tell you? Don't run the number unless we tell. All right, run it one time. One time.
501 1522.
All right, leave it right there, son. Right, leave it right there, son. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
No disrespect. No disrespect.
All right, Robert. Okay, all right. Yo, Prezi, Robert, a sampling, Robert never stopped in it. Mariska, Robert said, I do this something with them. Nurse, Robert said, I want to get a top because I'm saying I'm ready. Okay. No, I want to show sweet, so. Yo, give me the call, Prezi. Sit down. Hello. Yes, greetings. Turn that. We're not supposed to hear the radio in the background. Please turn it off or move away from it. Quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Raga, the dating show now, you would have one every Friday.
Every Friday?
Every Friday night.
Every Friday
night, the dating show.
What could you say that again, please?
You would have it right through the week, like every Friday for dating show.
The dating show on a Friday night. Yeah, that would be the best night for it because that is the night
when
the show is simulcast. So the people in people in the New York metropolitan area, they're hearing the show live on IrieJam radio, and people would be hearing it, and people are hearing it live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. So we could organize something in that regard. So you're suggesting that we do it on a Friday night, right?
Yeah.
The dating thing. And you think it's a good idea to do it?
Yeah, that's a very good idea. I'm calling from Jamaica.
You're calling from Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are you calling from?
I'm calling from Kingston.
Kingston, the Constant Spring area of Kingston and whatever. And then are you interested in meeting someone to date also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, all right then, cool.
All right, okay.
All right then. So no, I'm going to give it some thought and figure out to best configure it, to make it fun and lively and thing and informative and fun and put it together.
Try to make it spicy.
Spicy. No. But Sammy says spicy. We're gonna boring around here when we are working. If I one thing you can't say about me that me not boring. You understand what I'm saying? And that is by choice. But would you believe that privately? Some people that consider me boring, would you believe that?
No, man, you're not boring. If I used to do a radio program in Jamaica.
No. My radio programs are not boring, but I always tell people, hold on. No, I know my radio programs are not boring because I set out to make sure they're not boring. But what I'm saying is, off the radio, would you believe I'm a very quiet person? Would you believe that? Huh?
No, I shouldn't believe that.
You couldn't believe that, no?
No.
No, but I'm actually really quiet, off here, and to the point where some people think that I am boring. I don't care because I'm cool. But some people think when they meet me ordinarily and whatever, them think like, what we him no? Yeah. I saw it go. I like. Anyway, big up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Yo, the people in Panam, the IrieJam 360 Facebook page. What are we on a drink? 250 I don't know over there and think, bless upon yourself, you know. I see Latoya Samuel. Reddington leave it. Me see a post and I say, boy, you know date. You know want no TamFam woman for date. So, Reddington leave it. But you done with TamFam woman now? Eh? In Reddington leave it, you done with TamFam woman now? And the one them when you date before, them never to work out down. Junior, leave it, talk to me. Reddington, leave it, talk. The one them when you date before, you never to work out down. Eh? I walk one the Junior. Reddington, leave it. What did happen? Because I did for really talk to you and call you and ask you, you know, if Miss Lady they did really cut up your tire upon your BMW car, you know. And that I want to know, you know. Hey, Mr. Levy, I wonder what really happened. You know, date no more time for woman. You can't manage them down. Them too terrible down. So, Mr. Levy, Miss Lady, I need to talk to you about that mix up there, you know, Junior Levy, because yeah, the people I call up in here, you just, when me mix up about people, I call people and ask them about the things that I hear about them because it's not my business. But me say it again. In all these years, me a juggle. When mix up coming about TamFammers and whatever, and it no, and something where them as a ragga red do this or deal with that, but them just make me know me here. I don't call the people them and thing. But Junior, me know you not care, you know. So I need to call you and wonder and go on why that thing them mash up and if Miss Lady there, if she did really stab up your tire them on your car, because I never get the fullness of that one day, you know, Junior. I want to go on. I make sure do that. I want my body vexation. Eh? A body vexation make sure go stab up the tire and for your car, Junior. And what it really happened is a Reddington leave it. I want. How that go, Junior? Eh? A body vexation. Now worry yourself, man. We have a link here and get the 100 pound that one there. Not that we are so the thing and whatever. Like me I tell him, nobody can tell us I'm call them and ask them anything. But me never really check it when I want to one. I want to know I want to go on this, June. I want to really go. Why am I making so much trouble tonight? Well, I want to bring me so forward.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah. If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
So, Prezi, you don't know, say a while ago, we go so boom, and just take out one page of Junior leave a file out of file cabinet and thing a while ago, Prezi. You know, see when post, I say, Prezi can't unplug something. Junior, I wouldn't say I don't want, you know, I wouldn't say more than one, though. Junior, you know, no luck with them, though. You know, no luck with them, you proper Ossia. But what me did really want to know, because it stink I wrote some Miss Lady that it stab up your tire and all them something there. And me say, from what they mean, say she make no bossy post though, you know, because she always there Jamaica enough from what they listen to me, man. Come in, me not say she never make no look. I'm going to check in at it, but I just want to know if I really see she go stab up your tire them way there and whatever, because John know anyone should do that. Me vex, you know, and thing, and you know. I mean, say when she go in, you know, she go in hard, you know, so she say, are you? So I want to know what it happened. I wish she just want to kind of press you down, don't it? She just want to kind of restrict your freedom or something, I don't know. I mean, say she go hard with that something that something I know. Are you couldn't keep up, don't Junior? Are you couldn't keep up? Because me say she bad pan the sort out, you know. Yeah, say she I think, you know, I mean I say it in a disparaging way. Me say I think up there like that, you know. So I don't know. I pop down pan it, Junior. Eh? I pop down pan it. Because I see you feel about the strong and healthy too and all these things. Oh God. Junior, talk to him, man, because them have all kind of things that can help you out, you know, and think. Prezi, what is something with the man, what enough for the man, them take up here? What name again? What name? Who? No, man, you want something like, not Viagra, man, or Cialis. You have one thing where them are taking a New York. The man, them always are, what name? Super, no. No, not none, man, not honey. Honey? No, man, we're not honey a regular thing, man. You have one thing. No, man, them I want something up here. I forgot what name, man. Jesus, God, I forgot it, man. The Jamaican man, them a take it enough, man, for sort out, man, and think the whole. Me soon remember whatever, me gonna make something plus. President, something plus. Something plus. And when name, somebody soon post it. I bet you somebody post it. I bet you somebody post it. Because we're going to send you some of that. Here, Junior. Because it look like it. I don't know if you couldn't manage a thing or whatever. I saw it go. Here, Papa. What's Tulisha say? Him can't manage to eat in the kitchen, Ragan. Him run gone. Junior post. Oh, so tonight I pick for me night. No, man, I'm a black ant, man. We know black ant long time, man. I want next one like it. I say, Jesus, Supreme Plus. Lord God. Somebody soon send it and tell me, man. I worry. Anyway, give me the call, Prezi. Give me the call. Hello. Hello.
Wagwan.
Yeah, greetings.
Wagwan Pimpin.
Wagwan who?
Pimpin, because you're the newest. You are the hookup people now in the boss.
Allow me. I work.
What you mean below you? You will tell Robert and the next Cardell below you. Cardell greet below you.
No. Them can't call in. Them a nice up thing, man. I want me to you. So you know what somebody to?
Yo.
You know what somebody to?
No, boss, no, let me tell you something. Me see that as people who desperate.
No. Stop. No. Stop. You see, when you say them something, you say you don't even think. Because I kill you, I go kill my vibes now. You kill the energy now. Because when you come with where you come with that?
You said to me,
no, but when you come with that, you never even necessary for you to say that. And this year, these people.
Listen.
This year, these people. But not only that.
I am sorry.
And you hear me there, say we are going to do so and so. So when you come in with that energy, then you're going to make your people them back off and whatever because, you know, you're going to
No.
No, but me I tell you what you just say. What you just say that it going to do.
No.
Where you just
you
say.
You just done something, you know.
Aye, boy.
All right.
Yeah, what me I say. But since you going to put it out there, since you going to call in and go put it out there, right, and whatever this and that. Okay. Technology affords people the opportunity to do what people have been doing since Thine Kingdom come. All right. When before internet come in and thing and somebody say, I go a dance and I want to meet one nice girl and them something there and whatever, right?
Okay.
Or a woman say, I go a club or I go them places, I go so and so because you meet nice man here so or whatever. When them go, they meet somebody, and the person may be, you know, there may be a connection, there may be a chemistry, there may be something, and the person may leave and say, John, you know, so I go so and so, I'm going to meet a nice woman, or, you know, even some people say, you know, it's a church, I want good place to meet, good woman. You know, them something that are good, man. So them something that they about long time. Listen, hold on, listen up.
Okay.
All we're going with these dating things and whatever, and these dating sites and whatever, it's just a modern rendition of the same thing that people have been doing. All they're doing, they're using the technology to facilitate the same thing. When you go date, that's how you go online or whatever. You meet a lot of people meet people online who them like. A lot of people meet people online who it not work. A lot of people meet online who it's just for so and so. It does nothing to do with desperation. And then the second part of that equation is this. People are now living a cybernetic experience where the social space and their identities is part of an electronic reality, right? People do a lot of things online now, right? So online If people meet people offline, and they may date somebody or not date somebody, or they meet somebody online, and they may date them or not date them, it's the same process just happening online, given the present contemporary modern reality where we live in right now, where people do a lot of things online. So people do banking online, people do travel online, people do so many things online. So dating is just another experience that is done online in 2022. That is not an automatic definition of desperation, because the way you phrase it, you are put them down and simultaneously hype yourself.
Okay. All right. Okay. No. I don't mean to put down anybody, and I'm sorry if I do.
Yeah.
It's just that within my scope, I don't see myself presently or in the future to do it. So when you ask me the question, it's like you put me in a spot right away, and it just spontaneously came out. It's like I never even have a chance to think about that question. It's like, bam, you punch. So I say, you know what, somebody too. In writing that moment, it's like, oh, you know what? We really see people who do that as being a bit the answer we give.
Okay, I mean, which you're entitled to, which you're entitled to, but I'm just saying.
No, hold a second. Everybody to them things. Me just don't see myself going on the internet and say that. There are people who shop for them come on grocery, like they want a piece of yam or they want whatever they want. They shop online and have somebody who drop it off at them doorstep. As a matter of fact, I saw a situation where somebody lived upstairs of a supermarket and they shop online somewhere else and have the person drop it inside of them home. That's just the reality we are living in.
No, but what's the point, though, given what we're talking about?
Okay, but no, the point is that I understand all of that what you say. I was just kind of troubled with Robert, boy. Why you never asked if you pray for the dog back again?
All right, all I'm saying is you could have responded with that without attacking the people and putting them down.
No.
You could have explained that without doing it. All right, let me show you a thing.
A lot of people.
Hold on, let me show you a thing.
No, hold a second. There have been successful marriages doing that online.
Exactly.
But for me, I look at the situation happened to me the other day.
No, hold on, stop right there. You see what you said? You could have just said, no, me could have never do that. For me, that is not my thing. Boom. Your point make. Your point make.
I take the wrong.
Yeah.
I take the wrong. I just said to you, you punch me right away, and it's like, bam, that just come out spontaneously.
Okay,
I take the wrong, I never even get to second in. Yeah, that's right. I take the wrong. Yes, I shouldn't have put it out there like that. But bam, he says, you don't want to try it to. And they're like, shook. Sorry, man. All right, people, can't do anything. But hold a second. Me always believe that somebody walking on the road, you know, look at the situation happened to me the other day. I saw a lady with 2 big bags. And I help her out. Raga. Long story short, she go about her business, come back and check me. She make a call today. I talk to one of her friends. He's a Nigerian. She said, talk to my new friend. So I talk to the friend and I say, is this lady royalty? The friend in Nigeria say, yes, she's royalty. It's like, what did you say? She's royalty. And I'm like, no, you're joking. Only to realize, Raga, this woman married to the son of a king, and the son died. I'm like, Papa Jesus, really? She said, I'm really a princess. And I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, but
just because I just see her and just simply assist her with 2 bags.
Yeah, assist her with 2 bags, and you're saying you never know she was a princess from Nigeria?
No, I'm just say, this was coming to America, the movie.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you just share that?
No, it's like at the end of the day, we just can't come in trouble, Robert. But you just threw me with that question and just lit me right off. But me just look on it when everybody are calling and I say, people still can walk on the road and people say they can't look on me. Me just see myself as a face boy, blah, blah, blah.
See.
Me just see this woman with 2 big bags and just say, hey, let me assist you with them. Eventually, a little link.
Okay,
Then bam,
okay. It took me a second to realize you're actually making a separate point than what we were talking about. Okay, good.
Yes.
So you just say, boy, you see people and you just never know. You see people and you never know.
Like,
right, okay.
And there is nothing I can do to redeem myself with the statement that I made. But I'm just saying, like, we realize there's a lot of especially single women here. But I'm like, in your job, don't you meet people? I mean, if people want to go online, as I said, I know about all of that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, I was just saying that the other day, just help somebody with 2 bags.
Zine.
Let me assist you.
Zine.
And bam, they go about the business, they came back, they link, make a call to Nigeria. The lady said, talk to my friend. Someone said, hey, this woman must be royalty and the friend in Nigeria said, yes, she's royalty.
Okay.
She's acting up in this.
You just never know. Well, it's the thing with it in New York. In Manhattan, people, you take the subway in Manhattan, you're beside multimillionaires, and them look simple, regular. You don't even know them. You just never know. Come on, thing. All right. All right.
But anyway, still, everybody run in, man. Me like how you hook them up, Papa.
All right.
You are the new food.
All right, man. I say a word, man. Blessings here.
Bless.
People, for a long time, because me always catch on to some things late, by choice, anyway. All right, when email it start run the place and whatever, I'm old enough to, yeah. But when email it start run the place, I wasn't like whatever. When everybody running by email, me never this. Is one time I was on a committee that was hiring people, and they came up with some standards for filtering out application. This was a long time ago, obviously. And one of the standard was, this was a Vassar college, and I remember one of the standard was, okay, all resumes that don't have an email, don't even look on them, just put them aside and thing. And it just hit me at that time like, really? Are this the thing there? You know? If you apply and you don't have your email letter, then, the consensus was, you are one of the people who are serious. So without even looking on your resume and thing or your CV, your curriculum vitae, then we just put you on whatever. So I was like, you know what? Let me go get that email. And it's the same thing for certain technologies as we go on. One time, years ago too, I was in New Kingston, and I was in a bar in New Kingston, and this lady came in, and she ordered something at the bar to go, and this man was trying to talk to her, and she was very attractive, so she's accustomed to men approach her, obviously. But the man was quite manageable and respectful and thing, and, clearly, interested in her and trying to flirt with her and all these things and whatever. But she just wasn't having it and ignoring. So we did a drink, our crew and mine own business, and we hear him over there, and he was being pleasantly persistent. And he kept going and him starts to some little thing, and she starts smiling and thing, and we are watch her go on, And we are said to ourselves, the general are put in the work, man. The general are put in the work, and we are saying him smooth. I was like, homie got game, Got him smooth, man, and thing, and him lyrics, them dip on point or whatever. And you can't see she warm up to him, but she going like she want to fight it, So till after a while, we are said, John, so we there and see him put in the work and thing. Him nice, man, and thing, and whatever, she laugh. And whatever, she's like, nah, just don't, guy try to talk to me, I'm not interested. And I said, nah, man, make a link, you never know, because him nice. And the brother say, yeah, thanks, put in a word for me, I was there. And it became this joke and thing and whatever. And then she turned around and she said, okay, give me your phone. She said something like, give me your phone and let me get whatever they say. And then the man said, I don't have a cell phone. And you could have just see like all this stuff just drain out of the woman's face like, and you can see where she had come from is like, You know, so me never want to chat to the boy, you know, and then people come at me chat to the boy and whatever, you know. What me I do with a man who don't have cell phone? If you don't have a cell phone, not mine, you know. I know a lot of rich people, you can never get them work with a cell phone. I know a lot of rich, wealthy, accomplished, credentialed people who know. So that's a sidebar. But I'm just saying, at that moment, her thing was, cell phone had reached a point where, for her, if you look at a woman and you do have a cell phone, it's just a waste of time. You know? And so it is with all these technologies. When Google is just a bus and people up and Google it, and Google her, right? You Google him, me never run in, you know. Me never run in at all. And even for a good few years, well, me go through a thing where people are saying, so why not just Google it? I mean, I have phone, I have computer, but me just never in this Google thing. For Google everything. Me just never grew some in a race, so it's like anything, you Google it, anything. I just thought it was really weird that people Google everything. And I was just very suspicious of it because I was just like, no, I don't want that dependence on the technology and whatever, this and that and thing and wait. Now me Google enough things too. This whole thing where some people just, anything them want Amazon, them buy it from Amazon. Hey, you know how much people beat me? Hold on, is something that you need right now? No. So why you don't just Amazon it and get it Prime and you get it the next day or in 2 days or whatever? I'm going to say, no, I'd rather go on a Target or go Walmart or what. But why you don't just get it? People, you know, I say for years, me not do that something there. When people are buy things online, me couldn't understand it that anybody buy clothes online. All them something that I couldn't understand. No, it's like nothing. Me do it like nothing now. And it is so convenient to me because I'm so busy right now. And it's like me into the game now. Me know which brand and whatever and boom, boom, boom. Next day. So me I utilize the technology. What I'm saying is, in Western societies, the United States, Jamaica, whatever, Britain, Canada, and thing, we may want to be careful for how the conclusions we reach about people who have a connected, everyday experience. They were connected to the internet and thing, and utilize it in so many ways. Because everything have them plus and minus. And yeah, some people are too dependent on technologies or whatever. One time, guy, I could remember every phone number. Now I can't remember phone number. You know why? Because the dependence on the phone. There was a couple times, I feel like double fair remember my own number. I know my own number now, but, because we get so dependent on the technology that we can't live without them. There are people who get lost with GPS because them just so dependent on the GPS that them stop using common sense. We have to be careful of those things. But them have them advantage. And people who date and meet people online, it's a convenience that there's nothing necessarily wrong with them. They can still judge, they can still assess, they can still make some determination. Do I like this person and whatever? And yeah, it's been done a different way. You know what he texts, I know what she texts. I never like that text there and that emoji there or whatever. But it's the same thing when you're talking to somebody else. You know what I'm saying? You know what she said, I never like what she said and whatever. It's just an alternate form of communication. It's another form of communication. So there are people living their regular lives that is significantly integrated with modern technology in ways that are normal. Do we have to be careful of it? Of course, yeah. Well, that is what I think. You don't want to be so immersed in it that you're basically like, a machine yourself, right? You have to be careful of that, that you don't lose the capacity to live a regular, organic, non-computer related life and thing. But there's nothing wrong with people dating online and whatever. A lot of people do it and they do well. So be careful of whatever judgment we may choose to pass against those. Okay, we have about 8 minutes to go. Give me a caller, Prezi. Sorry about it. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Good night.
Good night.
Is this Ragashanti?
Stop being foolish. Yeah?
I was oh my God, I can't believe I'm talking to Raga.
Stop your
I
foolishness.
tell people in Jamaica that I talk to you on the phone. You're royalty. People in Jamaica know you, and you're on the radio and I'm talking to you. I'm talking to royalty. I can't believe it. Oh my God.
No, we're using the phone. It's a technology. We must be desperate because we're not talking in person. We're not talking in person.
A lot of people talk about you, and I know you. I know you. I tell people that all the time. Oh my God, I can't believe this. No. First of all, one and only Too Cute here. Google me. Cutie, go Google me.
What do you mean Google you?
Google me.
You are Tina Too Cute. She is just too cute.
Tina Too Cute.
Yeah, but she's just too cute.
Your name Cutie. Me know why you use not Too Cute around here. I want Too Cute around here. It's trademark. Registered trademark. Google me.
But you out there about the woman not for use Too Cute. You know you're Too Cute. Say, oh. I remember say Too Cute thing up there coming. I don't know if you're there. Too Cute say any house she give a man a headers. She have to get a house. Right? And I bet you say your headers no value more than I bet you your headers no value more than a lollipop or something like that. I bet you your headers no value more. Yo, she have the house headers.
Me get the headers.
You get the what?
Me get the house before me get the headers.
Oh, Tambourine!
Just only talk to me about it. And me get the house first.
Bombard,
talk to me. Google me.
What you say? You just have to look in her direction and show look at interest and the house run. Right?
I'm miss to tell you.
And the house run and thing. You know, you're going like you want underrate Too Cute.
Too Cute round here. You better fix back your name to Cutie.
Wait a minute. Hey, Too Cute, hold on for your name and defend it. Don't afraid of no girl who call in and want to come down here.
Yes.
Hold it here, Too Cute. Don't afraid of
Anybody else want to give me a house and a car? 9277039. If you want to find Tina Too Cute, call anytime.
My name is Robert Carly, and I make you know, say my bite you all over. Okay? And do what I mean for the for make you happy.
Look at your number, 9277039. Yes.
Well, now which song that number that they coming again?
No, Buju.
Yeah, Buju. But what the song they go again?
If you want to find... Stop my phone number, no boss. Which Buju, I don't know nothing.
No, but people who listen, I think I really, you know, but
yes, good for
but
them.
you remember it when Buju, when the artist is saying, you know, one song and thing, you know.
If you want a good man to give you a good...
Yeah.
They will be stamina daddy, remember?
No, a man for that or stamina
daddy. For the girl.
Yeah. Me and the stamina daddy for the girl
bikini. Yes.
Sexy body. Yeah. Remember it, I want.
Yeah, man. Remember if you... No, but Raga, no, seriously, you know, say one lady at my workplace lose her job because she not have smartphone.
What you mean?
Yeah, no, well, no, I swear to God, don't laugh.
Yeah.
She's probably like in her early 60s.
Yeah.
And she not old school. She want them, you know, the big press button, the phone them, and, you know.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
However, for you to access our system, it's a two-factor authentication. So you have to also access a code on your smartphone via an app.
Right.
So, and she is adamant she's not using a smartphone. And they gave her the choice. You have to get a smartphone or your job. And she lost the job. I swear to you.
Wow.
In this age and day time. Yes.
Wow.
Because she's not going to use a smartphone. You have to have the app. That's the only way you can get into the system.
And you know there's no legal recourse for her there, you know, in terms of ageism, because it has nothing to do with that.
At all. And this is
a requirement. It's a fundamental requirement for the security apparatus security apparatus of the company. So, you know, everybody is required to comply. So if you can't do it, you're essentially unqualified for the job. You know?
Yes. Yeah. No, man. Not
wow.
True. So and she lost the job because of it, because she refused to get a smartphone.
Look at that.
It's serious times.
Yeah, no, and the thing is that you don't want to throw yourself over and I totally, but you know, in society, it has always been the case that some form of adaptation is required, as society modernize and things like that. So, yeah, you have to, and it don't have to be technology. I mean, you have to upgrade your skills. You have to do so on. Things are do differently now, You have to learn how to do that test of the nurse. Them have to do it now when them do them different, blood intake tests. Everybody have to do some. So you have a technological version of it and thing, and you certainly have a dating societal version of it in terms of social relations, Some people do think about those things. It's like you have some people, you go to them house and you don't have Wi-Fi right, and it's like something wrong with you. No, hey, hold on. You know when so the thing up on a level, when they don't ask if you have the thing, You see, when them say, okay, give me an email address, or oh yeah, give me a Wi-Fi or whatever. Yeah. They don't ask, that means it's a given. You're supposed to have it. Yeah. And then if you say you don't have Wi-Fi, that is when the shock come in. Like, what you just say? You don't have, like, seriously? Like, where would that earpiece come from? No, man, and which rock you live on that? You don't have Wi-Fi?
You have my pity them in here, I don't hear them, You have my pity in the rag, I don't hear them none at all. But make all the internet drop, you hear what somebody ball out. What's wrong with the Wi-Fi?
Roadblocks is not working. Minecraft is not working. Daddy, what's up with the Wi-Fi?
My Roblox stuck.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it? Some weird thing. What? Them not talk about them hot, them nothing else. Just make it flicker.
Man, I tell you, man.
What's wrong with the Wi-Fi? Like, you're going to
trust me, I know. Anyway, we have a minute to go. I'm going to cut off it.
Yeah, man, we're going to let go. But I just want to warn Too Cute that Cutie, my name is trademark, is one Too Cute around here. And that's
Too Cute, wally name. Don't let you bully you. Don't afraid of her. Defend your name, Too Cute. Defend your name, Too Cute. Don't make that girl come body up.
I'm not going to bully her. Your name, Cutie. Stick to your name, Cutie. Okay? You don't come and try to just encroach on my name because you hear that a lot of things come with the name.
Bombard style!
Serious consequences.
No, sir! Too Cute! You have to go call in and defend that. Okay. What you say, Tina? Google me. All right, let's see our words. Okay, people, I eat that. I don't know them. I'm going to lock off at exactly 12 o'clock. I want to thank you for hanging out with me since night. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been a fun show and thing. Just the way we like it. Take care of yourself, people, and do remember Ragashanti TV over YouTube. That's the thing. Subscribe and click the bell. Take care. I'm out, man.